Perfect. We're live. So today we have a lot of people who are gonna
Okay.
come to us because we have a new person here. So first we start off like we do this every Thursday. It's a vibe coding stream, and we try to invite new people as well to the stream to vibe code with us. So today we have Priyanshu with us, and over to you, Priyanshu. What are you gonna build? What have you in mind? What do you have in mind and everything? There are 22 people watching us right now, so tell
Hello,
them
hello, hello.
what are your plans for today? Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Keshav commenting GM. Hi, Keshav. Hello, everyone. I'm Priyanshu. Today we are gonna work on a few ideas. I'm not sure which one. So we're just gonna discuss it here and see like which one is more exciting and which is more possible since I'm not a dev. I'm more like a vibe coder, just playing around with cursor. Uh, about me, I was with FBI at one point. Hi, Zero Speeds. I was with FBI at one point, full-time employee, doing all the things, all the fellowship and all you were filling form for. I was handling at one point. Okay, Nisog is also joining, I guess. I just saw his text. Hello,
Yep.
hello, Nisog sir. How are you?
He-
Hey, hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Perfect.
How's it going, sir? Hey, Om,
Going,
how's it going?
just came home.
Oh,
Yep.
nice.
You back to work for us.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, sure.
So
Yeah.
Priyanshu was just sharing about his journey and what he plans to build today.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, like, it's been a while since I got again live with from base account, base India's account. So yeah, good to be back here. Today, I mean, like, I do have a few ideas. Cool, by what are they cooking today? Yeah, Om bro, like, I'm not really sure which idea we're gonna cook here. I do have few ideas. I'm gonna share it here. Let me know which one, which is the more exciting one, and we're just gonna vibe code it right now. So there's one idea I'm working on right now. Do you know what Matex, right? I hope that if they see one, they gonna kill me. So I'm, Daksh by any chance?
Yep.
Daksh, who
He was
was the
my
mentor at the
mentor.
previous fellowship
Yep,
as well.
yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So Daksh and I are building a Matex for base mini app. It's called Formula, and
Oh,
it's almost built. Let me actually show you. I just had to make some design changes, and Daksh will ship it out in like next couple of days. But yeah,
I heard ducks too. That something is brewing or something like this.
yeah, that's that only. So if you could
Yeah.
see, this is you just go there, you just tap, you just connect online. This is play solo. You do basic calculations and all. You just compete with your friends. You can mint your scorecard as well as a NFT. Plus, you can challenge your friends, create a room and all. That's all. So that's one idea I'm working on. Another is called Go Higher. This is something, I mean, like it's been a while, I think, since this February I'm working on. Design is ready. I don't know why I'm not able to ship it. I need to just set it down. Can I share my screen? Let me show you the designs.
Yep. Uh, mm,
Wait, let me open my Figma.
yep.
So, are you a dev designer and content creator? What's the
Bro,
general?
at this point, I'm just figuring out what I am. I mean, I know how to write code, I know how to read code, but I'm not full stack developer. So I can wipe code, I can do things that way.
I really like your consistency in the video. It's going level, level, level.
Bro, I hope that I stay consistent. Reason being that people have seen my past. I just come for like 4 days and I disappear, and again 6 months I'll come back.
Hopefully,
Okay.
come back on this time.
Yeah. Okay. Share screen. Let me choose the window. Can you see my screen?
Uh,
Yes, pulling it up. Yep.
Okay.
yep.
So the idea is called Go Higher.
Mm.
Reason is that you know what Higher Collective on Farcaster. It's something which I wanted to be around that. Uh, it will be a mini app, and I wanted to be like fitness, social, accountable mini app. So this is just like a landing page, mobile version and all. Since the name is Go Higher, the website is supposed to be upside down. and we go from bottom
Down.
to up. Yeah. So this is like the home section, and the main idea is that whenever you open the mini app, you see like some public challenges. It could be like 10,000 steps for a month, and you take part in that. And to take part, you need to stake some funds to commit that. Let's say $10, and let's say like 100 people took part. The total price pool is like $1,000. Now you have a purpose to move, right? Because you have already put in your money. And as soon as you like stay consistent, climb up the leaderboard and all, you if you are in the top three or top one, you take the major chunk of the pool. And if you're least consistent, you get nothing. And we also take some commission in that. So this is one idea. It's called Go Higher Life, and we only go higher in life. So this is one idea I was trying to work on. Just connect your fitness tracker, connect your wallet, sync your fitness tracker, take move on. That's all.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Now the
but
current the current problem I'm stuck with is the Health Kit. Now, Google Health Kit and Apple Health Kit can allow you integrate in the native iOS or Android app, but if you're building a web app, you can't do it. So the workaround I figured out, either I build like a widget where I can just sync the data and just send it back to the server. But again, that's like a way too much task, people to download the widget and all. So I'm stuck here. If you could help me.
yeah, I was asking the same question, like how you gonna
Yeah,
integrate the web app.
yeah, right. Another way is like reclaim protocol I can use to
Yeah.
read the data, but again, that gonna be difficult to know daily sync up the steps and everything. Although that's like a helpful thing, reason being that even if you're using some Chinese or some third party devices to track your health, let's suppose noise or maybe what is this Whoop and any like Starve and all, you can track that as well.
Yeah.
But the problem here again is the APIs and all.
uh, we could run setup, but like do one time verification. It will be like
Right.
it will do daily sync. Like let's say you can schedule a sleep time, like that's when you get over your day. We can do some
Mhm.
manual work, but it's just it will require some interaction, like there's some sync button or something is should be there for the web app.
Yeah, exactly. So that's one, I mean, that's like one concern I'm stuck with. So I was having this thought last night, like, do you guys have used Facebook like in back in the days where they had this feature called what do you say, poke? Like you just used to poke each other. Now think poke as a Farcaster action.
Okay.
Can we build it?
I don't know the context of Facebook poke. Can you explain a little bit?
Okay. Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Yashika, do you know?
I
Do
think
you
it
remember?
just, I remember it just, so what happens was, when I say, let's say I poked Nisarg, it would just say that, you would get a notification saying that
Right,
Yashika has poked
right.
you.
Yeah,
Simply like poke, think of the term in context
exactly.
of real life. Like I
Okay.
poke you and you would get to know I poked you.
Yeah. So the concept I had, I was a great idea for the launch as well because of thinking in the video perspective, but it was just there for fun. There's no particular feature, there's no particular requirement. Uh, Nisarg, are you still with us? I think we lost you. Yeah.
Uh,
Power cut.
I forgot. Oh shit. No, but
Yeah.
today he has solutions for it, so he'll be back.
Okay.
And
Okay,
you
okay.
continue
But yeah,
now.
yeah, sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure. So the idea is like I remember we just used to poke each other for fun. I mean,
Hmm.
no particular reason. We just send poke notifications. And whenever I used to go back home from school, I used to just get notifications that this person poked you, that person poked you. And the only reason poke existed was like people were like really shy to slide into DMs. Now though they wanna raise around and like so in that context, they just used to poke each other and just they just used to like remind ki, oh, okay, that I exist. Now I just want that feature because I feel like a lot of millennial people on base app or maybe Farcaster will definitely gonna relate. So the only feature here is we send a notification to the user as soon as the person poke you. That's all. Nothing.
I think we can build it in 1 hour, 1.5
Yeah,
hours.
exactly. I mean, it's could be like a Farcaster action and no brainer, a
Yes.
fun thing to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Could also be like today's version of people liking each other's stories.
Yeah,
You can say
exactly.
all this.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Like whenever you want to show that you exist and you want to get
Yeah.
some attention, you just like people's story that hey, I
Mm.
exist. Yeah. So that way. Let's suppose if I want to chat with Jesse and I don't want to be like a random person, so instead of sliding into DMs and getting to buried into the message request, I'll just send a poke message and Jesse can see, okay, this guy exists. And then I slide in that, hey, I poked you. Build it by मैं भी side by side सीख लूंगा. Om is saying build it by मैं भी side by side सीख लूंगा.
Yep. I think we
All
can
right.
cook it.
Okay. Simple forecast action. Let's do it.
Cool. Okay. Uh, while you are building this mini apps podcast, okay. Nisar, what are you planning to build? Do you wanna continue on this, or do you have your own idea today?
I don't have any idea. I building the base cafe one, but I think yeah, it's ready to publish. I also done the paymaster and thing. So gonna
Nice. Can we see this? Can we see it?
yep, sure, sure. Just gonna add the stream page.
Okay.
Hmm, base cafe. Is my screen is visible? I'm gonna share my screen. Hmm, is it visible?
Not yet. I
Not yet.
think. Um, hmm.
Yep.
I did.
So I built this basically. There are 4 to 5 stream happening on the base cafe all the time. One is a design thing, something is AI, and ours is like Thursday where we do vibe coding and shit. So everyone can come see the stream. What's the category? They if you want to recreate anything from basically if they just seen a basic snippet of the stream and they like the stream, they can watch the stream when they click on URL. I also added scoring for the stream and individual user, so you can connect your wallet. So let's say you connected a wallet, you can do any like or dislike to any stream that you can have. So
Nice.
every stream has its own score. So here
Yeah.
I'm also it's estimating it, but I'm doing the paymaster thing. So right now I've deployed this contract on the base Sepolia. So the fees has also been sponsored by my wallet basically. So you don't have to worry about liking the stream or this. I just need to do query invalidate. So it will
Right.
fetch all the things like I like this stream. So it has a vibe score of +1. And if I dislike any stream, let's say base cafex content, it will have
Mm-hmm.
dislike. Basically, your reputation will be and the stream reputation will be there. So something like that. A simple,
Crazy.
yeah.
That's nice.
Yes. So yeah,
I just
uh, yep.
I just remember there's one more idea I was discussing with a friend. You know Nikita Bear, right?
Yep.
And he built out few platforms, something similar to ngl.link, anonymous platform where you can just go and complement each other. Think it
Yep.
like that platform as a mini app on Farcaster.
I think Siddhesh, you know Onco, right?
Who?
What is the name? Siddhesh recently built out this thing where you can send anonymous message.
Oh,
What is the
nice.
name? I forgot the name. Inco, not Anco. The Swayam and basically the Swayam team and the development team from the Inco, they build out this mini app where you
Right.
can send a message. Public can see who sent it, whose message, but public can't see what is the message. So they
Oh,
build out this.
nice.
It's live, I think, on Farcaster itself. So
Oh,
basically,
interesting. I haven't
yeah,
checked that. I'll check it out.
yep. They're using their FHE layer to basically encrypt the message in between, and whoever gets the DM, they will. I think I need to find that tweet.
It's been a
The,
while. Wait. Check on Base India's account. I think because their media would have it. Yeah.
uh, I'll find the link, but yeah, the idea has been built. Yeah, I watched the stream live, so I know.
Uh-huh.
Hmm, interesting.
And then
Interesting.
also
I'll check it out.
Siddhesh has built like some apps to send out anonymous messages earlier as well. I think it was on
Nice.
Valentine's Day he was building something like you can send it. And otherwise
Yeah,
also like the tech
so it
stack
was
is similar, right? You
Valentine.
just change the front end. So
Mm-hmm.
let's try something new there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yep, here is the one. Uh, uh, here's the stream. Yeah, so here is the demo.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, but the core part of what Priyanshu is saying is that nobody gets to know who has sent
Yeah,
it.
nobody gets to know that who sent it. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that is what
that's the
Siddesh
fun.
built earlier, like with that Valentine's Day thingy. We can just change it, but that is I'm not sure how much of it is on chain,
Yeah,
because he was just experimenting, and it's been a very long time. So I think it wasn't on chain. If you can do it on chain, ask Siddesh for the base code and just
built
run
on
with
top
it.
of it.
Yeah,
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 build on top. And I think he'll be joining soon because his meeting ended at 8 o'clock. It's been
yep.
5 minutes
nice.
less, hopefully. So you have the code. Half of it is gonna be ready for you. And today I will continue with bases everywhere, and I'll just change the logo because base changed the logo while I was building
Yeah,
it, and change the drag and drop feature because Astro told
yeah.
me that we should have. I'll share it. I'll share it. Wait.
Uh,
There's one more idea I just recalled, but yeah, after you, Ashika, please go ahead.
Yep. It'll take me a while to like get the server started, get it
Okay,
going.
okay.
Uh, mhm.
I'm the most new person here. I don't know anything, so you're gonna like do hand holding for me.
uh,
So
that is
please bear with.
that is very wrong of you to think that way. Because, gosh, no, I'm not the smartest here. I'm just like asking people everything. So,
Mm-hmm.
or like asking cursor everything. Sometimes it tell me what I'm supposed to ask cursor to. So we're all dependent on Nisarg here, to be honest. And
Yeah.
we get things done that way. And
I shared the Happy. Basically, Happy has built this template to build the mini app.
okay,
So you don't
uh-huh.
have to start it again. I shared in the chat.
Oh,
I'll walk you through
nice,
again. Yep, yep.
nice.
Is my screen is visible?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Not your screen.
Yep.
No,
So
Okay,
it's
now.
visible.
Happy is one of the base sellers. So he built this mini
Mm-hmm.
app, basically template, where there is
Yeah.
odds wallet with the forecaster. So you can just
Mm-hmm.
copy the, and you will have all the context of relate. So you don't have to build it from the scratch. Just paste it here. Launch mini app. So all the actions are also there. Like you don't have to build the navigation. You can just use this. You can get the context. Okay, I need to
Nice.
open this. Where is the forecaster app? Forecaster.
Wait, Suresh was
The
tweeting today saying that how can we test mini apps
thing on
within
the
the
base app.
base app?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's no developer mode. I couldn't figure it out.
So
no.
Daksh had replied like you can just copy the link and
And
copy
paste it in
share.
the chat.
Yeah, paste in
Yeah,
the chat. It will open as a mini app.
right.
Yes. So you can
But there are
also
a lot of developer features missing. I mean, like maybe they will launch it out soon. But yeah, so this is like a boilerplate which I can use.
yeah, everything is there. So you don't have to write the code to get the user context. Now it's no. If you open this map in mini app, now it's know that I'm
Mm-hmm.
the Mr. Tucker. You will get ID. What is the FID? So if you
Nice.
want get all the details for the user and get the
Mm-hmm.
feed, they also integrate with the navnar. So you are building like pop, right? So you can get
Yeah,
all the things. Let's say I have this much followers and I'm following
yeah,
this much. It has
right.
also integrated navnar. So if you're following Jesse and you want to poke Jesse, you can just get the following list and you can just write a action like poke Jesse, or
Hmm.
button and select your contact list basically.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Good idea. Yeah. Another idea I had was, like how celebs do. I mean, celebs, I know the first started this, monthly dumps. So, like they take random pictures and one random day they just dump out their gallery. Any random pictures, nowhere associated with that. So we can do that on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. So just to keep yourself a little bit active on the new base app, you open the mini app, you select some pictures that will add some, really nice frames, some really nice graphics and all. You can just dump it out, make a gallery of sort, or maybe it can make a frame.
It can be called think of it this way. Let's say people are often Instagram can take your, like, Instagram has all
Right.
your life
Yeah.
documented, but it will go away at any point, like your account gets banned or something. But you can
Yeah.
have like a visual gallery of your life, or like a journal of your life every day, sort of
Yeah.
like Be Real. Like Be Real is to ask you, right, take a picture now of
Right.
your
Right.
life,
Right. Right. Right.
sort of that, but like an everyday gallery, and it's on chain, so you can access it for like forever.
Yeah.
I mean, I
Yeah.
don't know
Let
if people
me.
would be that comfortable sharing their pictures on chain always, but if you wanna, have your life public like that and embed it on the chain, or can
Yeah.
we can we use Inco for some privacy here?
we
But
can.
then for encryption ke baad, how will you decrypt it? Like probably if people lose the wallet, which will happen because people lose the
Yeah.
password.
Yeah.
Uh, but we can
So.
build it, like people can post pictures that probably they that mean a lot, but they don't have like the faces or something.
Can
So that
you
can
see
stay
my
on chain.
screen by any chance?
Let me
Mhm.
let me pull it up.
Okay.
Yep.
So there's this one idea I had long back. I think it's been more than 2 years now. We were
Yeah.
trying to build this during Solana Hacker House. It's called
Yeah.
Memories on Chain, and it was very simple. You just go, you just upload your pictures, just add the
Yeah.
title, description. You add your own wallet address plus the people you want to send that picture, like as a postcard, or you can just upload a
Oh.
CSV file as well if you're like a event host, and it will just mint it out as an NFT, and will create like a Facebook feed, and you can see like what all places you have been. I mean, if there's something interesting you want to document it on chain. So yeah,
Yeah, I think this
that
is a cool idea because they're like special moments in everyone's life. So I don't want to
right.
be hunting,
Yeah.
especially
Yeah.
birthdays and all.
Yeah. And the idea was like you can just add someone's address, wallet address, and we'll just send it to that person as a NFT and they can keep it in the wallet. Yeah. That was another one idea I was working on.
I think you should build this one out. This is cool.
Yep.
Memories on chain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, what do you think?
Yeah, I can
Mm,
think. Uh, yep, I
anyone
remember.
in chat? Yeah, please go ahead.
So yeah, I think the Web 2 version of it was built by the Roshan. You know Roshan?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So Roshan Bhaiya, we were at ETH Bangkok. So he built this smiley's face. So basically, whenever you share your smiley face, the AI will detect it's whether smiley face or not smiley face. If it is smiley
Hmm.
face, they allocate some token to you, and basically they
Hmm.
launch the token and
Is
basically.
is this the same reel which went viral, the first reel which went viral,
Yes.
and he got around like 100K new followers on that? Yeah, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, interesting. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
we
mean, like
can
I
build.
do have few items. I'm not sure which one to focus, but if you feel if this is a nice one, I'll just quickly
I
make
share.
up a.
I think we can build it in 1 hour. Let's see.
Okay, let's do that. I
Yep.
think I still had this memories on chain.xyz domain. Let me check. Things expired, but yeah, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. So how should we start?
So, are you picking up the? Are we all building the memories on chain, or you are building the poking one? Yashika is building her own app, and
I
Yeah.
will. We all should build our own thing, or maybe
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
and see
So
like by the end of stream who is able to build what.
I
So
think we should continue with that. I'll continue with the bases everywhere thing. Sir, you
Hmm.
finish base cafe thing, and Priyanshu, if you wanna continue, you tell us because I don't think the chat is telling us what they want from you.
Yeah.
So you can make the poke feature or the memories thing, whichever one you choose.
Okay. Let's see. I'll just download the Happy's code and
Hmm.
try to build something on that.
Okay, I'll share my screen till then.
okay, I'm building whatever the Priyansh is not building. So whether he's building the on-chain memories, then I'm building the poke one.
Sir, do one thing. Help your brother out. We build this together. Let's do
Okay,
it.
okay.
No, sir, final out your base cafe thing first.
It's
It's
done.
it's
It's already done. I just need the stream link. That's all, and the image. It's all done.
हाँ तो वो कर दो फाइनल because it's been like stuck for a very long time now.
I'm
Let's
gonna
just
launch.
launch it today.
It's just a manual work. I have to go to every stream. I have to capture the screenshot. I have to post it in the basically public folder. So it's like a
And
manual work.
and you have
Yeah.
company here to keep you like cheered up while doing that manual boring work. That's why I said this. But if you don't want to do it, okay, no pressure, build something else. But I don't
You
want things to get, because we know if you stop building something you don't go back to it ever.
know,
So if you would
gonna launch,
have just hmm?
gonna launch this weekend finally.
Okay, this
Let's
weekend.
go.
Let's go. So today you can continue, and I show what I was building. So this is bases everywhere. You basically take a picture, and we added the new logo as well. You get the new logo, and you can change the logo size, you can position it, and you can
Nice.
change the opacity as well. But what we want right now, instead of XY position, since not everyone is thinking in math, we need drag feature. So, sir, can you help me understand how do I get drag feature on? Like, or do
Uh,
I just cursor and ask like remove XY and drag? हो
yeah, you
जाएगा?
can also, yes, and there is one library, but you need to
Okay.
convert this thing to React if you want to do that library.
This is a
Uh,
very simple HTML thing. I don't want to complicate it
yeah, you
like
can
more.
ask the cursor. I wanted to
Hmm.
do drag and drop instead of position X and Y. Do drag and drop in the canvas mode, so it will figure it out. So there is a
Okay.
something canvas where you can do anything, draw or any drop, drag and drop.
Okay, cool. Let me start on that. I've removed my screen. You guys can share your screen, and I'll get the build up for you.
Okay,
Okay.
we can start together, Priyansu. Basically, whatever idea you want,
Yeah.
I'll add it. I add you to your my GitHub, or you can add me to your GitHub. We'll work together.
You do it. I'll be here cheering you, supporting you.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna share my screen then. Okay. Uh, Yashika, can you pull it up?
Yep. Give me one sec. Um, Here.
So yeah, I'm just gonna fork this on which app are we building? On-chain memories or poke?
I vote for on-chain
I
memories.
Let's do on-chain memories then.
Yes.
I mean, the design was also ready for on-chain memories. I just have to make it
Yeah.
mobile friendly.
On-chain photos.
No, don't call it on-chain photos. We'll figure a name for it later. But like when we
Also,
start.
like Nisog, I remember like I do have a code base ready, but that is like front end only. Do you need that? I can just share the GitHub.
Can you can share the GitHub? I try to do merging of both for customer and front end.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is like only the front end version of it. We hard coded things just to show in the what do you say, the hackathon.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, let me find it.
Guys, no Hindi music in
Kajrare,
the background.
Yeah.
Kajrare.
Sorry. I will be doing.
This
My audience, first of all.
yes, found the code. I'm dropping it in the private chat. This is just the web view of the. Okay, it's not working. Wait.
I think it's not public, it's private repo. You need to
Yeah,
change it to
yeah,
public
yeah.
or either add me in
And
the
I'll
repo.
just make it public. Wait.
Yep.
Manage. Just made it public. Can you check now? What's your favorite AI code editor? Is it Cursor? Is it um Wentsurf? Any other thing?
Currently, currently it's cursor because
Mm-hmm.
I can. It's. I think my code is indexed. Most of the my code it's indexed on the cursor. So now
Right.
it's understand better. Whenever I'm writing something,
Mm-hmm.
it's know what I want, how I
What you're
want
trying.
it.
Right.
Yep,
Right.
yep.
And what are your views on the Cloud Code?
I haven't tried it. I heard about. I watched the Far. I think Far Post the daily report, Farship daily report. I
Mm-hmm.
just need to try it out. I also heard the Amazon. I think launched Kiro
Yeah. Yeah.
ID.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep,
Right.
yep. I just downloaded it 2 days back,
I
but I
also need to
haven't
try out.
tried. Yep, I have installed it, but I haven't tried it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, they
Got
are
it.
giving Claude 4 for free. I think that's the. But I have my subscription ending, so I'm gonna try it after my subscription end.
Yeah. My subscription also ended for that Claude. So sorry, Cursor. So I'm gonna try it.
Yes.
Yeah, I shared you the GitHub. I think now you should be able to access it.
Yep, yep, yep.
No page is linked, I guess. Everything is hard coded, so you gotta add about home slash all the pages.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Just gonna copy all the things that I need from here. Home page. Okay, it doesn't have home page. Pages from. Okay, it does have a form.
Should I make the designs mobile friendly on Figma, or it's fine? We can just work
I
on this
think
one.
yep, yep, yep. We can use it. I'll just tell cursor to
Make it, yeah,
hide it.
exactly.
Yep, yep, yep. This is the form page. This is the home page.
Yeah. Like this could be a fun idea since I do have a lot of projects which I started but never finished. So making those projects live.
Yep,
Yeah.
home page. Then other thing is okay. This is the API folder. Thing is okay. Two page are there. Home page and the default page. Home, home is I think the landing one. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these two pages are there. I need to get the image. Save image as these are projects, content photos, public, data image works. Gonna take this code. You Yep, this is build this your landing page. Make the home page like this. The image require it's in the public folder with hero image.png name, and for the CSS use this where style.model. This is a mobile app, and I want the navigation of mobile app. Just pick the CSS and build out the hero class home page for mobile web development. We have this demo component here, dynamically setting the inner field function to sign. For the storage, are we gonna use on-chain IPFS, RWave, or just local storage?
I think since it's on-chain, we should use. Um I mean, it's on a build. It's we're gonna build on top of our caster. So should we use IPFS?
Yep. And Pinata is the one, right? Pinata, get started. Uh, I used it before, but I don't know where.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yeah, go to gateways. Before you start your dedicated gateway, create your account. Simply visit my gateway. Install Pinata. We can install Pinata. It's creating SVGs. No user real wallet connection. We're gonna go with privy. Local experience. Yep, 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 yep. Looks. We need to change. Do we have the
Yeah, yeah.
colors? Which exact colors? What are the
Right.
colors?
Let me show the Figma file, or should I just tell you the colors?
Yeah, just read me the H1 color for the engrave your memories forever. The text is, I think.
Okay, I'll share you the Figma file as well. And Grave
Yep.
Your Memories is in black color, 0000.
Okay.
Yeah, Capture is also black, but the opacity is like 70%.
I don't know. Okay. I'm going to take
Yeah.
it from here. Engrave. Engrave. Yep. 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 Capture your moment. 70, right? It's taken here perfectly.
Hello, Siddhesh, how are you?
Hello, hello, guys. I see you guys are already doing something.
Yeah.
Us
So,
Parivar. I've seen this name somewhere, bro.
yeah, there was a time I used to run that, but now it died.
Priyanshu, you were supposed to do something else, bro. You showed
Hmm?
me you want to build some other app, right?
Yeah,
Is this the one?
we discussed that. We discussed like two, three more ideas. But since
Yeah.
the code was almost ready for this one, we thought, okay, let's ship it out.
Okay. So you guys
Yeah.
started this project right now, or was it like completed before?
So this project I started back, I think, in the Sulana Hacker House, New Delhi. So more than 2 years now. And
Oh,
the code was
okay.
almost ready. We thought, okay, just build it as a mini app on Farcaster. So the idea is that whatever special moments happen, you can
Hmm.
engrave it as a memory on chain. And the
Hmm.
name is also memories on chain. It will create a Facebook like feed, and whatever special moments you want, you can just uh, like added there, minted there. You can also add like wallet addresses, now base IDs here in this project,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
that will convert as a NFT and send it to that their wallet. So
Mm,
like a postcard.
nice. Nice. I kind of saw this kind of idea somewhere recently. Someone did it. I guess like
Uh-huh.
just memories on chain or I don't know, memory book or something.
Hmm.
Uh, but yeah, it was like a nice idea to kind of do. And I also recently saw some of these companies also use these smaller tools within
Yeah.
their teams, like just to like kind of keep the memories going or moments on chain or whatever it is. I saw
Hmm.
in some company where they were just like every week they would just send. It's like maybe like $10-$20. It's like if you are the best employee or the best guy, best at work this week, they just send you
Hmm.
this like, okay, here's a cookie for you, but this cookie is 10 USDC. You can claim it, something like that,
Interesting.
which
Interesting.
is like really cool. I think like it's a very small tool which people like us can just ship it. But then like it was
Hmm.
really nice to see that this gets like used in some place like a company where they just use it
Right.
for their kind of a yeah it's nice.
Interesting.
What's up with you, bro? You've been like dropping banger after banger. Who
Yep.
are you, bro? Are you a developer? Or are you a video guy? Are you what are you, bro? You say you've
Um,
been to a hacker
s-
house 2 years ago. Who are you?
Figuring out, sir. I'm still figuring out. Just doing side quests at this moment.
Yeah. Hats off, bro. Hats off. Like, you have a
Thank you.
designer, a video editor, or something, or you just do it everything by your own.
I mean, like I just playing. I mean, I just feel fun playing with the tools. So I suppose I get some ideas. I feel rather than reaching out to someone to design it, I'll just rather do it myself. Just open Figma, design myself, figure it out.
Shit, bro. You should probably like do a master class on how to be this like jack of all trades and drop bangers.
And the master of
Sometimes.
none. That's like a problem
But
here.
then,
Like I
bro,
can't.
but then your videos, every single video that you launched in the last 3 weeks has been
Yeah.
like amazing. It's almost like noise quality. It's almost like I don't know, the clue, maybe like not like cluely, but then like somewhere very good, like very good.
Thank
Like
you. I
you know
appreciate
what I
it.
mean?
I
If you
appreciate it.
if you yeah,
I like the
if you work as
latest
a
one better. The 8 second, right?
yeah,
Latest, it's the
yeah,
top
yeah,
tier.
I think if you go work as a marketing guy or just the creative guy, And
Yeah,
definitely, like, you would be a killer for that, bro. But
let's see.
yeah, I
So
don't. So at this point, I forgot. Like, who are you? I thought you used to be the managing ops guy.
I am
Yeah,
still, I am still.
nice.
Gayatri Utkarsh, Paisab and all,
Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Doc Labs. So I work as
Ah,
a PM ops guy there.
oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
I just spoke to them just like few hours back. But yeah,
nice.
nice.
Yeah.
Uh,
So yeah, like for next 6 months, the idea is that whatever random idea I get, I just build it out, plus
mhm,
document it in a video format and
mhm.
make content out of it. So yeah, let's see how the next 6 months goes.
All the best, brother.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Siddhesh, can you share your the preview template for the wallet?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay.
sure. Okay. Uh, GitHub. Vibe coding.
What did the Priyanshu tell you to build on the first thing? You can build it out with Priyanshu as well. Priyanshu will help me and help you build out his
Yeah.
both idea.
So Siddhesh, sir, the idea I mentioned you that was a fitness accountability gamification type of app. The name is called Go
Okay.
Higher. The landing page and everything is ready, but I'm stuck with uh, the data syncing process. Since
Uh,
I need to have like a native app to connect the Healthkit and
okay.
all, I can't do it on the web app. I tried and figured out a workaround was like making a widget out of it and just install it and sync that will sync up your data and I'll send it back to the server. But again, that's like a little bit
Mm.
confusing for normal users. So what would be like a best way to do it?
Sorry, can you come again?
Yeah, sure. Actually, let me show you the screen.
Yeah.
Yashika, can you help
Yep.
me here with the
Yes, and in the meantime, I have also enabled the drag and drop thingy along with the
So,
localization
who's?
skill.
I think Nishag's screen is on the stage. Like, is
Yep.
Nishag presenting or Ratnakar?
yeah, that's no, that's Zach. That's
Yep.
Okay.
Changed.
Okay.
okay. So the name is called Go Higher. If you know about Higher Collective on Farcaster, I wanted to be
Uh-huh.
associated with that since they already have a lot of fitness enthusiasts.
Hmm.
This is the mobile version of the landing page.
Hmm.
And since the name is called Go Higher, we only go higher and we scroll the website upside down. So the footer is the header here, similar to Beta Chain website if you have seen. Uh,
Uh-huh.
Now the idea is very similar, is very simple. You open the mini app, you see a lot of public challenges happening that could be done by us or like normal users like you and all. And let's suppose one challenge is called 10,000 steps for a month. To participate in it, you need to stake some funds. That could be, let's suppose, $10. Now let's 100 people took part in that. Now the prize pool is $1,000. And if you're the most consistent one, you are climbing up the ladder on the leaderboard, you will be
Hmm.
rewarded with like the major share, the major chunk of the pool. Let's suppose 50% you could win. So just by putting $10, you are winning like $500. And who is the least consistent get nothing. So like bifurcate it, divide it accordingly. And yeah, like the basic idea is like you connect to your wallet, sync your fitness tracker, stake mover, and you can also create challenges with your friends. Let's suppose we started some challenge to just burn calories or maybe weight loss or something like that.
Mm.
On the basis of like how active you're working out and what all things you're doing, we can just add some basic logic and calculate, okay, if you have done that, you must have completed these much of calories. Yeah, so this is one idea. Now the problem here is Apple HealthKit plus Google HealthKit. I can't use that in a web app. It has to be a native mobile app, either iOS or either
Really?
Android. Yeah.
Oh, so you can't get the data if it's a web app.
Yes. Now the other
Wow.
workaround I
Okay.
found is I can make a widget
Okay.
and I can
Uh-huh.
ask the users to just install the widget as just like a tracker, just send out the data to back to the server. But again, that's also not user friendly. So
Mm.
if you could
Yeah.
help me now that this design
Okay.
is ready,
Bro, I think Nisarg would be the best guy to help you with this. He's our master dev in call.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, Nisarg, like, do you have some suggestions for him?
I told him because I think the only we need some user action to sync it. So I told him the
Mm,
best solution is when if we can automate that part, but the best solution is it will every day whenever the day ends, it will basically resync your whole day history. Like if you're using the watch now, you'll mostly at you will watch it at the end of the day or at the morning. So the best time will be you will specify the time that you want to sync your app with basically wallet or basically
mm,
fitness or Apple
mm.
tracker with your app. But some user interaction is required. How the backend is know that at this point of time the we need to sync this app. So either build a simple cron job that will do everything, but you need to give some permission, to allow every time or give it all permission. I think most people won't give all the permission, so we need some user interaction or a button
So
that will
no, but
that
but
will
but
just
then Priyanshu is saying like it has to be either a widget or a mobile app, right? So
Yeah.
how are you recommending it? Because you're telling some interaction is needed, which I get it totally. I use this app, Here app, the insurance app, which also has some program. I bought an Apple Watch with this like Indian walking program or whatever. So what they do basically is like I think they track everything. I don't have to open the app and they still get every information because they link it once and then they get it every information from the Apple Health app. But sometimes when I open this Here insurance app, when I open it, it says like give permissions to get your data, but I don't think that's necessarily required. But it automatically takes all the data. Uh, by every day, it just pulls all the data from the Apple Health somehow. I'm not really sure how that works. But of course, like as you mentioned, like this insurance app is also a mobile native iOS app, and of course,
Hmm.
like that's how it's able to get it. But I'm not really sure how your suggestion is like helping that Ratnakar's like suggestion. Uh,
so
so
that basically we are building a forecaster app, right? It's going to be web app that
Right.
is going to be act as a forecast minimum. So there will be no
Yeah.
native integration to access the Google Fitness data or Apple Fitness data. So we need some interaction. So what Ratnaka suggests is we'll make a widget from the app, which will interact with the fitness apps and get all the data. But it's
Yeah.
manual work. User needs to do like some syncing. Other things that I call
that's
like
funny.
we can
No,
add some
the
interaction.
widget can run in the background. You just have to pair it once, and it will just
Okay,
automatically daily at one
get
particular
get
point of time, it will just send the data.
Yeah, the same thing. Yes, I told the same thing that you need to have some cron
Yeah.
or the time scheduler from the user to
Right.
get
Cron.
it scheduled
Yeah.
and get all the
Yeah.
data. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I had an idea. I'm not sure how this will work, but hear me out.
Yeah.
So, like, have you seen Aura rings? How they function?
Hmm.
You wear a ring. The whole thing is synced, but that's like very expensive for normal people because once you even buy the hardware, you have to buy the subscription also. If you're building is open source, we can ask people to just buy some hardware which would have the trackers that you need. Okay, and like it can be a bracelet, it can be a ring, whatever people can choose, and they connect to your app in the background. You natively collect the data, you don't share it with anyone. So that's like a privacy first thingy, which is like a lot of people want that. A lot of people have been like, in terms of women's health, I can tell you there's a lot of women's health tracking apps which keep on getting this claim again and again that you sold our data because we know it in certain ways. And a lot of health apps also do that. If they're free, they're always selling data. So you can build like the hardware part as well as the software part and say, okay, this is open source. We don't want anything from you. And I think that would be a
Yeah.
really cool alternative to having an Apple Watch or something, because the Apple Watch is very chunky, and like any other watch is also very chunky. You
Yeah.
don't
And that's
want
the
to wear.
reason I never got it. I always wanted
No,
something minimal, a ring or something like that.
yeah, and I'm also someone like
Yeah.
there used to be these bands which were
Yeah. Fitness
uh,
bands. Yeah.
fitness bands, but they still have that time. And I'm someone who is very like, due to personal reasons, I can never
Yeah.
have something telling
That's
me
why
time
people
on
like
my
Whoop,
watch.
I feel. That's like one of
Yeah,
the major
Yep.
reason I feel people like Whoop.
yeah. So like anything which is minimal, especially a ring or something, in that tracks sleep,
Hmm.
tracks your walking record, and I think that's good. Two things good, and you just need two sensors for it, I believe, right?
I have no clue about hardware, that how what all stuff you will need.
Mm,
Wait, yeah, I think that'll be a tough job. But we can just build the software part out. But
Yeah.
core idea, essay will plus up because the world is like kind of moving towards hardware a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is very philosophical to say, very difficult to build out. But I'll show what I build out in a minute.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah. So what, you guys were not building memories on chain? Did you switch the idea while I was
No, no,
away?
we are doing it.
Okay, so you're getting Siddhesh up to speed. Siddhesh, where were you? Your meeting ended and no, it ended early. Then you disappeared.
No, so basically, I'm on my first week at job, so it's.
You
I
got
mean,
other now. Yeah.
one of the things I found was like everyone is in like East Coast time zones. It's very hard for me to pick a time, and it's like uh, I'm just trying to find the right time so I can just have calls, but it's like they're busy or when they wake up, it's already too late for me or something like that. And yeah, so mostly like I'm just like staying up just to have calls. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my first week. I'm just like going on again to get call times with them. But like the team is insanely committed. I have never seen such a team. Like my boss replies at 7:30 a.m. as soon as he wakes up, and he also replies at
Crazy.
11 p.m. Everyone in the team, not just one person. I mean, in just 2 days, I literally spoke to half of the people in the company for something or the other thing. They come to me, I go to, in 2 days. I mean, I don't know. In my previous job, it would have taken me like maybe 4 to 6 months to actually talk to everyone in the company, if
Yeah.
there's some need. But then here is like in 2 days, it's like I almost spoke to half of the people from the team just, in terms of customer, yeah, the kind of like a lot of things. So
And I
yeah,
think
I'm
that's a good
pretty good.
experience. It's like a very
Yeah,
active team and good experience.
it's a very active team because of course every customer is valuable because they pay money to buy the service, right? So it's been like really really different compared to a company you work where it's like a token model, kind of like a Web3 thingy. But this is more of a software company, just like building next gen products, and they really value customers and they really value what they do. And every GitHub repository that is under Privy is so clean. I think the cleanest I've ever seen. There is no pending PR. There's no open issue. So cleanest, yeah,
yep.
yeah,
Wait,
That's okay.
while we were yapping, Naman God came and he left.
yeah, yeah. But yeah, I mean, it's been like crazy. Like it's just like 3 4 days now. But yeah, I mean, really good experience so far.
We're happy you're happy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
And
amazing.
yes, this is complete, I think, now, except that this is not working. So, logo we can move around, drag, logo size can change, opacity can change. Download works, but share on next and this sharing thing does not work. First, I have to download everything, and then if I say, let's say, share here, it will do this part, but not the photo. The photo I have to get from here after downloading and then upload it there. So, how do I fix that part?
I think you need to upload the photo. You need to have stored it somewhere to get it referenced to somewhere, because
Yeah,
either
so
it's
that's my
either
solution.
it will the solution is to create a backend service which will whenever the share in button it will store it in any cloud service, get the URL, and you can basically get the URL link and reference it on the Twitter basically. But then it will not show it as a photo. In Twitter, you need to upload your image to show it as a photo.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. So it'll come out like the link thing, link with a
Yep,
thumbnail of sorts. Oh,
yep,
okay,
yep,
okay,
yep.
okay, okay. Yeah, that's still bad. Still bad. So we have to tell people to down. I will go to ideate and figure out how can we make this better. Give me 5 minutes, okay? Is there a better idea, Siddhesh? Priyanshu, do you think is there a better way to do this? Because I don't think if people click on share on X, they want someone to come here and then say, okay, yeah, now you need to upload a picture also. Very bad UX.
No, I
Hmm.
feel like uh, it does look little nice.
People have to
Can
go
you
through
Sorry,
zoom a
that.
but
little bit?
sorry, but like Yashika, what is this? Like, is it an app to let people draw?
No,
Um.
so Naman God wanted a app to
Okay.
let people upload a picture, and
Uh-huh.
wherever there's squares, was earlier it was
Uh-huh.
circles, wherever there's squares, now there's circles. Now it's squares, earlier it was circles. The picture should auto detect the places where it has squares, and then the base logo should fit in everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it
It
done?
is.
Is it done?
I made a very bad
Ah,
version of it.
I
You
mean,
upload the
that's
picture and
crazy.
you add. Yeah,
I
so
don't know. You maybe you need some AI ML level shit to, kind of get this
auto
done.
detect.
But
Pull this
Yeah.
yeah,
off.
of course. I think maybe Nisar is the right person for this too.
So how do I implement some AI ML shit to get square detection first? Then,
Ah, you can use
But
LangChain
this guy
pre-trained
knows answer
models.
to everything, bro.
this is
Okay,
a
okay. Sorry. Go ahead, go ahead.
So LangChain has this pre-trained model where they can detect the shapes. So you need to just train it on the square shape, then get the model, publish the model, use that model as a reference. So whenever the image where the square is, find this. But it's too much thing. It will take probably 5 to 10 stream to
oh
reach
my god,
there.
RAM. What is an easy hack to get there? Like, can we use a
I think
pre-existing model or a pre-existing
yep.
thing?
You can go to Hugging Face. There are pre-trained model there. You can use it, reference it, but most of them, the good ones are paid one, not free.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. We've encountered one more issue then. Okay, then we don't detect the squares. We ask people to put it on. But how do we solve this share on X thingy otherwise? Like the backend part, the Supabase won't work for this. So what backend service do we use for this?
Mm, For storing the image, you can use anything. I think Cloudinary is the one that I use for the my image storing.
Send link.
So,
And is it free?
yep, it's free actually for 1 GB. So I think we can use
Yeah,
it.
any picture would be not like more than 1 GB. Yeah, cool.
Total, its overall storage 1 GB. Total for one
Oh,
GB.
no, but wait. Question. So when people come and they put an image and they put it on Twitter, you delete it, right, from the service, let's say in 5 days, 4 days, 2 days. So
Yeah,
then
you
overall
can.
won't I can
Yep.
enable it or I'll have to go manually delete it.
You can write a service to delete it after every 1 day. There is no feature in Cloudinary to delete it after certain hour.
I was using a certain app to wait.
I have wallet connection ready with the privy thing and the mobile app. I'm just gonna use your form.
Wait, we have a No My
Form
app
which
was here as well. Someone asked me
what
for
is
the base app invite. Wait,
Who
Yeah.
is
how do you
asking?
even get
Please,
the
please.
base app invite? I don't
I
know. I
don't
have
know.
base
I don't
app.
know either. Like people are asking me based up invites. I don't even know how to get invites. I don't know.
I've been
I don't
checking
know.
the
Uh,
Maybe
app.
the
Where
maybe
is the
Naman
invite
or
button?
it's not in the app itself.
yep.
But yeah, Base team sent me like 50 invites after that skate park video. So I mean, if you're a creator, I can onboard you. The only thing is that you have to actively create some banger content and just stay active. It doesn't have to be related to crypto. Just be active. Just create some content. If you want, I can just get you onboarded.
No, I'm already on board. I don't know. Yeah, Rajan, she got me on board. So shout out
Yeah,
Rajan.
she got a lot of invites. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. I think as a base fellow box, we received the invite first before
Yeah.
everyone.
yeah.
I
So
But
think
you
I
was
think
in
I
the
think I but
yeah,
go
I
please
ahead, go
go
will
ahead.
ahead, go ahead.
I will be one soon. So I'm like fingers crossed. There's
So
3.0
I
fellowship coming.
Yeah.
mm. I think generally base invites were given earlier, like if you applied for it or like maybe you spoke to someone from the base team. I remember like I think a few months ago before base fellowship 2.0, I think I got connected to someone from the base team and then they just added me to this group. But I never really signed up for it. I never really downloaded it. But then I had to do it after FOMO, like you launching video, everyone's like, oh, I made $200, $500. Then I had to figure out how to, upgrade my
Right.
normal wallet into base wallet. But yeah, I think it's a
Yeah.
it's a nice experience, and of course, like, um, good place to be.
Yeah. I mean, for me as well, I also got it through Statuate, if you know her, the base mom.
Yeah, same, same,
Back,
same, same,
back,
same.
back. I think it's been now like 2 months since I got it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I mean, like alpha user here.
That's like a long
Nice.
time of you having the invite, man.
Yeah, that's why I know a few things. Like if anyone asks in the group, I mean the testing group, what is called right now, the radar FBR radar group.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I
So,
know that.
Priyanshu, like, generally, how long does this video thingy take to make something like what you did?
How to make a
Whatever
yep, yep,
how
go
to
ahead.
make a
Sorry. Banger video.
oh banger video, bro. Like
Yeah, I mean,
uh,
everything that he does is a banger video. You don't have to mention it. Like,
I'll be honest. I'll be honest. I got this camera back in February, and since February it was just lying on my desk. I was not doing anything, and then one day I had this realization, like no guilt, that what did I do? I bought like a 1 lakh rupees camera. I'm not using it at all. And they're like, okay, let's shoot random things.
hmm
Started going out on a photo walk, like
hmm
just taking out
hmm
camera everywhere, wherever I'm going, taking random pictures and everything. I was like, okay, it's not that difficult. I can this can be comfortable around camera. I can just do videos and all. And whatever videos you have seen,
hmm
just being honest, the Alex video, this friend of my Gurung sent me a tweet link that he posted it out. And I shot, edited. I was so tired. I was not even able to open my eyes. I just came back from gym, but I like, okay, let's give it a shot. Recorded, shot, edited everything in like 40 minutes. Same for almost all of those videos. Like everything has been done under like 1 hour.
Crazy, bro. Crazy,
Yeah.
crazy. The reason why I'm asking this is like I really want to do some, at least not like a banger video, at least a video, nice video.
Yeah.
So you won't believe, in my recent like Euro trip, I had like 3,000 photos, videos, 3,000.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I don't even post it anywhere. I don't even do anything with it. At least like I want to just like edit it in some way and post it on Instagram. But then like,
Yeah.
yeah, it kind of, sometimes I really want to learn how to kind of like edit videos, because I mean, I understand that most of the work is also like in terms of how you shoot the video, like how you get the clips done. But then even if I get the clips done, make editing
Yeah.
the video something that's not, I've never done that before. Maybe I did it like 5 years ago just to like, merge videos. But it's pretty
Hmm.
great. Like, so me and my friend wanted to do a banger video for one of the hackathon projects that we were doing. So we
Yeah.
had this guy. This guy was like trying to do something, but at the end of the day, the video was very boring. It's not really, kind of, it's like
Hmm.
very boring. It won't go viral. So we wanted to make some banger video like you did. So I mean, it kind of, right now, like whatever you build doesn't really matter unless you know how to get the right distribution and get the right people
Yeah.
watching it
Yeah.
to use it.
Yeah.
So I think right now I feel like the influencer thingy, the creative thingy is like more important than anything else.
Yeah.
So
I
yeah,
mean, like if
definitely,
you
like
need
bro, you should do a master class maybe like next week or something on Base Cafe. We should talk to Naman and like
down with that, down with that. Like like people think that whatever content I'm posting, it's random. Of course, it's random. It's very random. But like it's very engineered. Like I posted this
Mhm,
blog of me, whatever thoughts I had on that uh, base coinet feature, and
mhm.
people think that it's
Mm.
very random and all. But I added like a base cover on the top
Mm.
because, and I wrote it in a way that it should look like an official letter from
Yeah, I saw,
base.
I saw. So just
That was very
retweet, just
engineered.
echo
Yeah,
tweet
that
it.
was
Yeah,
yeah, and
I know. That's why I'm just noticing every pattern in your thing. It's generally
right,
like how things go viral. You just need someone
exactly,
to open it or click it, or what
exactly,
is this like mystery?
right.
Like, oh
Like
shit.
sometimes I make intentional mistakes in spellings so people can point it out. I get more engagement on that, more story replies that,
Good
hey, you
PR,
made.
bad PR, PR it
Yeah,
is.
exactly. So I made
Yeah.
sometimes intentional mistakes. Recently, I posted
Mhm.
on Instagram story with some food and one document in my laptop, and I wanted it that way. Like 60% was visible the laptop screen, 40% was the food, and you can see a word like game plan. I wrote it intentionally. Like all those things were so intentional that I wanted it to be like a soft launch. That hey, I'm making content. Read it. People took time. People realized. They all texted me, okay, I saw your it got leaked or something. Like no, it was intentional. I wanted it that way. I wanted to get more
Yeah.
replies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think next probably next month, Ratnakar will just post an update saying, "I have joined as a CMO for this protocol. My total
Yeah.
comp is 400. Total comp is 400K."
Below 400K, I'm not even talking to anyone.
Crazy, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah,
Okay. Mm.
Daksh and I am working on this new, you know what, Matix,
Yeah, I think
Matix
he
Math
shares
apps.
them.
Yes. So we are working on that one idea and
Mhm.
similar, some more fun side projects.
Mm.
Yeah. But
Nice.
I was really looking forward for this Go Higher project, but I'm not able to
Uh-huh.
figure out what
Mm.
exactly I should do.
I understand. Okay. Oh, yeah, Yashika, I think are we streaming to the base build account? No, right?
This is your account, Yashika's account, and based India.
Okay, okay, okay. Well,
Yeah.
yesterday I think I saw this Base India Base Cafe was also streamed on Base Bill channel.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think but I think we can't stream it there. I guess.
Yeah, we
But
don't have access.
is the golden tick account? Yes, it's the golden tick account from Base. Uh, okay, what are we building, guys? The
I'm on the
higher app
form page. You can pick it
of
up.
what?
The memories on chain. Uh, you share
Okay,
my
should I
screen.
put you up?
Yep,
Yeah,
yep,
yeah.
yep.
He's
Hmm.
Wonderful, right? When,
Bro, like
where,
cursor is like going out of hand at this point, you know?
yep, yep, yep,
I
yep, yep.
I enabled like on usage this thingy, and then just like 3 hours or 4 hours, I was charged $20 for like Claude Sonnet 4. I was like, bro, what is this? What is this
I'm over
behavior?
my I'm over my limit right now. Basically, I allowed it to purchase $30 more, so that's why I'm getting the Python commands.
Yeah.
I need to wait till 30 to use it.
So you're on the student pro plan or the regular pro plan?
Personal purchase, bro.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay.
big money.
No
Yeah.
big
Big
money.
money. Ooh. Nice.
All from here I can see in the next base fellowship who are all coming.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely, I'm coming.
Nice.
Yeah.
Maybe
I
you'll
think,
find
You.
me as well.
Yeah.
yep.
Okay. I mean, yeah, a lot of things, actually, a lot of things happened in 2 days, I guess. So that was my first day when I joined at Privy. So I was like very focused, not using Twitter at all. I was just like going on meetings and just trying to get me familiarized with the processes. And when I opened Twitter, it's like, so the application is live, it's Goa, this, that, bro. It's like too much to digest.
Right.
People are talking about base app. Someone, the whole feed is Pengu. Bro, just give me some TLDR. What is happening in Twitter?
Uh,
Yeah.
Yep. It's mobile friendly now. This works. Nice. Okay.
So here, like for memories on chain, right? Are you guys letting them just click a picture on the spot? That would be amazing. Are you doing that?
On the spot,
Yeah.
need to. That will be a cool app. I'm just
I mean,
currently trying out the first
okay,
basic version, where
okay.
basically get your
Mm,
image, get your description, whatever the
mm,
wallets that you want to share with or your own wallet, and mint it yours. So we are gonna use Pinata and basically IPFS to get it published on the and share it like this. So we can create a
Nice.
public feed first, get your upload. They can upload it to any IPFS and number subnet, and then in the home we can add a home button where we show all the added photos in the Pinata, right? And they are
Hmm.
shared to Farcaster or shared to X. So it's now image been uploaded. Now everything can be shared to Farcaster as well, and we can also use the launch to as a launch as a token. So it will be cool, I think.
yeah, that would be good. That would be good. So, are you suggesting that you're gonna tokenize the memory?
Yep.
Sorry. Yep. Oh, okay. I think what would be really cool is like if you let them click picture on spot. I think I've seen most websites when you click that, it's just photo library or camera or files, right? If you can enable that, find that maybe like I think then someone
But
would just like just click the camera and then just click okay something is happening and clicking it and then posting it. That would be
Yeah.
yep,
really.
that would be very good.
I think Daksh also did this moment app with last fellowship. I think he just like clicks and
Yes,
takes.
Right.
yes.
Right.
Yeah, that
Okay, we are gonna ask it on the form page when user option. Let's trust cursor. It will do it in one go or not. Let's button it. Upload from device or capture from camera.
I think one very good content idea could be like we do a small video, not live stream. We can do live stream as well. They can download and like edit it out. That let's suppose there's someone like me who's not a full stack developer, but more like a vibe coder. If they have to start with the basics, that what all things they need. Like I had no clue that Happy published a boilerplate kind of code which I can just use to make my own thing. Right. So imagine like one video where just uh, helping a non-coder like handholding and making one small project.
Yep, yep. We did one with the Yashika where Yashika is a basically non-builder. She
Hmm.
has an idea of basically
Now she is a builder.
yep, we can do one with you. Yep.
Yeah, for sure. I would love it.
In the next one, we can try your poke feature. I think it will look pretty
Actually,
small and we
yeah,
can
I
use with the
think
cursor.
Siddhesh missed it. So Siddhesh, like, you remember those Facebook days where we had this feature called poke? You just poke your
what
friends. You just
what
poke, Poke, poke. No?
when
Okay.
when was this, bro?
I think I was back in school till 7 or 8 standard it was there. So you can just poke people to remind that you exist. That's the main goal of that feature. You know, like how you do it offline. You just meet someone and just tap there. That oh, already got it.
Nice,
Let's
nice.
go.
Oh, cursor max for the win, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting wallet is there. My own wallet. Yep. Six
Bro,
two
if you're
eight eight.
able to make this live, no, I'll be like really happy because since last 2.5 years, it's just lying there in my repo.
We'll make the feed and on-chain memories live. We can
Yeah.
think about how to share with the forecaster. We need to add some database. So basically, whenever the memory is created, whatever the wallet is there, there will be a home feed which will store all the images. So they can select
Mm-hmm.
any images that they want to share with forecaster. I think that would
Yeah.
be really cool. But we can make
Yeah.
the on-chain photos live. Yep.
Right. So we have like two options. Either we can make like an Insta grid, like photo album kind of thing, and either we can go with the Facebook timeline that everything is linked. Which one would
Yep.
you recommend? What do you think?
I think Facebook will be like nostalgia feeling. Instagram,
Yeah.
I think everyone uses it. Facebook will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
really cool.
Right. So you just have to scroll down and see
Yeah.
everything. Okay,
Yeah, we
cool.
can add two feature as well. I think the Insta feed or just like this, normal
Mm-hmm.
Facebook or Insta. I think
Mm-hmm.
people will love it.
Yeah.
Mm.
But yeah, so there's like the only use of that feature was that you remind people that you exist and the
Yeah,
person
like
gets a notification that the person poked you, and if you want to have a conversation, you can just chat with them.
I definitely think like what Facebook was were doing in the earlier days was really good. For example, my
Yeah.
first game was like in Facebook. I remember I used to be like 11 or 10 years old, and at that time, like
Mm-hmm.
my I used to. So there used to be games like social games, right? City Village, which is like a Sim City like of a game, and then there were so many games like that. Still remember like my brother used to play this game, and this was the first time I'm buying a computer, and I'm asking me and my dad sitting in front of this computer and calling my brother, how do I
Yeah.
download this game? He's telling, go to your computer.
Yeah.
It was literally the real that the way how go to your computer. I can't see your computer like and I
Yeah.
realized like signing up for a Facebook account and then trying to play the game, and at that time like you could do it with your friends because it's social. Whatever experience that we're trying to build with Farcaster, right? Farcaster
Yeah.
me and the social connection between the gaming and the social thing. I think if Facebook was really good at the time, and now that you say like poke is actually fun. Like at the time, everyone was on Facebook. Every one of
Yeah.
their
Mm-hmm.
friends on Facebook, so you could just like poke it and then play. But then right now there are too many options, right? I don't think like any all of my friends are in one place. Maybe Instagram, but then uh, yeah, I think now some may work, some may not work in like all of these platforms.
Yeah. Yeah. So what I was thinking, we can make like a forecaster action where the only use of that action, you just send a notification to that person that this guy poked you. That's
Yeah,
it.
do it, bro. Do it. I mean, I think you can do it with, like very easily with
Yeah.
cursor, right? Because I think Farcaster also started using this LLM text file.
I saw, yeah.
It's basically if you just give this file
Give the
to
context, right?
the cursor, will know everything. Uh, and yeah, like pretty much like every company right now in Web3 is like adopting this AI friendly docs using Mentlify. Mentlify is a really nice platform.
Mm-hmm.
Even Privy uses Mentlify, so you can just like pretty much like go to your cursor and then say like you can just add Privy MCP, and then from there like your cursor will know how to talk to Privy MC docs and like get everything sorted. And that's a very good upgrade. Like any non-coder can simply just like build any app.
Mm-hmm.
But I was
Interesting.
really
I'll.
surprised. I was really surprised. Like I think last month we were doing one stream with this company called Inco, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a privacy company doing smart contract, a lot of stuff. If I'm
Yeah.
a developer which is not really strong enough, if I go to the docs, I think it will be a little bit hard for me to figure things out. Is what I thought. But they have
Mm-hmm.
also used this Mentlify MCP. So what this guy Devrel did was he said, "Bro, just go to cursor, just type this command, and now you can just say cursor, I want to build this with Inco, and in cursor did everything.
Yeah.
He did everything in just like in a
Mm.
1 hour. 1 hour, we had a complete working app using Inco, which was
Yeah.
impressive. Which is impressive. Uh, if you could match it with like Lovable or some amazing tools, I think you're pretty good to launch your product and just like without having to get like designers or developers. You can just like get
Do it
everything
yourself.
And
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. Do you
Yeah.
want me to design the feed page?
Uh, if you can, basically, I can just copy it and give it to cursor, or just use some basic code. Or
Okay.
you can, yeah, you can design the basic wireframe, I think, not the whole thing, and
Yeah,
that
sure,
will
sure. I'll do
work.
that. I'll do that.
Yep.
So many memories I after seeing these pictures.
Uh, it's fine now. The JWT will be accessible to all.
Are you asking
Or
me?
I'm no, no, I'm just gonna stop sharing screen because I'm storing env variables.
Okay,
Just
okay, yeah,
two
sure.
minutes. Yep, yep, yep.
I really want to know like the moment you discovered about env files, how earlier you used to handle it, like in the is it like sometime happened with you that you pushed your API keys publicly on your GitHub? Some funny story.
I still remember I was building this. I was using AWS for the first time, and
Mm-hmm.
using the cloud storage and the secret S3 bucket thing. I
Yeah, yeah,
hard coded it with the basically SDK, seeing the documentation. Uh,
yeah.
and it was like end sem project or third sem. It was like third sem. We have to submit this project. I was building it. I built it out. I shared with my friend. I shared the demo and everything. Then I published all the code to the GitHub. Now at the time of examination, we have to give them a demo. So I
Mm-hmm.
pushed it the code. So when you push the code, Amazon detects that it's been pushed to GitHub, and it disables that bucket. You have to create another bucket and use that bucket. So I was
Yeah,
sharing my demo, and it was disabled. It was not working. Hopefully, I had the video. So the professor basically accepted my submission and helped me graduated that semester.
crazy. Because it happened to me one time. I was trying to build like a chatbot wrapper. I think it's been like 1.5 years, and I accidentally pushed out the Google API keys, and someone sniped it. And I don't know like what happened. I was not able to get the prompts, everything. Like it was showing all the credits got over, and then I figured, oh, okay, it was not in the env file.
Yeah, I think ENV is such a I don't even understand why we still use ENV in 2025 because I mean, most of the times, when you're in a hurry, you end up like not really looking at what you're doing. So I was in this ETH Global Hackathon in Taiwan.
Mm-hmm.
So it was just like 1 hour before the 1 hour before the submission. I was like, bro, this is not working. I'm gonna hard code the private key into some
Yeah.
because either ENV was not working or something was happening. So I forgot. I just created .env instead of .env local. So next year it doesn't kind of adds that to the git ignore. I
Mm-hmm.
accidentally committed it. So I added $50 worth of money on seller network to test it out. Before
Mm-hmm.
I could even like test this out, like I'm just clicking it, it's already gone. Money is gone. I'm like, bro, I just had $50 into it, and it's like, no, it's not with you. It's gone. And these snipers also take even testnet money. They also steal your
Mm-hmm.
test money. They take everything from every wallet. They just give you
Yeah.
small amounts of. They just leave small amounts, like maybe like 5 USDC or 2 USDC or 10 USDC. So you will add more ETH to withdraw that, but they withdraw the ETH before you withdraw USDC. So rinse and repeat.
Got
Uh,
it.
then only I realized like I should probably start using this private ENV, the one that Cypherin guys recommend. Yeah, definitely. Like I still don't understand why we still use ENV, unencrypted ENV files.
Uh, for storing the user storage. Hmm. What was the cloud storage that we were using? I forgot the name.
Which one?
For storing.
Cloudinary. I mean this app you were trying Cloudinary, right? For images.
No, no, just storing the user data for click. click mini app, click it for views, for the click it. I forgot the name.
What? I don't understand. Click it. What? DB? What? DB? You asking?
Yep. The free DB.
DB super
Sorry,
base, no? Super base.
Supabase app. Yep, I forgot the name.
Yeah.
Super base.
Super base now. Super base. Wow. Today it's been a very long day for me. I'm just sitting in the same spot since the morning, like 9 a.m. It's like
Hmm.
9 a.m. right now.
The first time we met Siddhesh was in Zoo House, the Pareen Source event, right? We were working
Yeah,
on that.
yeah. I used to. So
Yeah,
basically, Pareen was my mentor.
right.
I used to work with him on this project called Lalisa, and that's where I met you.
I
That's what I'm asking.
right.
At the time, I
Yeah,
think you told me that you were managing FBI before that. So I thought you
yeah,
were the ops guy who does this. And when I started
yeah.
see your videos, I was like, what is this guy up to? Like, what is this guy up to? Is he a video designer or dev or what is he up to? Do designs?
So yeah, I mean, like, I just like playing around with tools. It was like I have this thesis of mine. I posted it on Twitter as well. So I got
Mhm.
into a car accident, and that was like a life-changing moment for me. I was like, okay, I only have one life. I have to do a lot of things. Why I stripped myself with only one thing? That okay, let's suppose if I'm a designer, why I'll be like only designing things? Why I can't do different things? So at this moment, I have started pursuing whatever hobbies I had as a child, whatever stuff I wanted to learn. Like very funny thing. Like for my this year's goal, I have is like I want to get into top 100 PlayStation players in India. So like small things, all these things. So yeah, I mean like, and again the thesis like if I get married sometime and if I get kids and all, there should be like that. The daddy was cool in his prime time, or maybe if I don't get married, I should be that cool uncle, like. So yeah, just playing around with all the tools.
Nice. I mean, I also wanted to do something like that. Like I have tried doing it, but I
Hmm.
still think it takes a lot of efforts to actually like do such work. I mean, 5 years ago, I started shooting YouTube videos. Is the videos are still there in YouTube even today?
Hmm.
Go look at it. You could see like, I mean, you could see a very steep change. I mean, growth or whatever you could see. I used to bring up some random pictures here and there and edit videos, small videos. But then I really want to do like what the quality of work that you do. So maybe like if I want to build a mini product, I want to make a video by myself. So we could just
Yeah,
launch without having to wait for someone or trying to find someone who would be like, even if you could pay money, they won't get the same, the one, the thought in your head or the output that you
right,
want.
exactly. Yeah,
Uh,
I
definitely,
get
bro.
it.
I think you should definitely maybe host one master class, kind of like how do you think about just going from here to here. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, I mean, we could do it next week or somewhere like that. We could ask
sure,
Naman,
sure.
Naman
All in,
if we can get a spot.
for sure, for sure.
Awesome.
Mm. What all to thing we need? I mean, like, I made the. Can you see the Figma file, Nishag?
Maybe. Yep. Share your screen. I think
No,
Siddhesh
you
can pull
already
it up.
have my film. Okay, okay, wait.
Uh,
Uh,
okay, you shared the link. Yep. Just a
yes.
sec.
Are you on the Figma?
Opening. Just a sec.
Yeah, so I
Yep.
added
Figma.
this wire frames. I'm not sure what all we need here. Just the grid or anything else?
I think grid is fine. Yep. I think I'm gonna give user the option. Either they want
Hmm.
this as a fade or the
Just like
just a
just one
timeline.
simple button. Yeah, yeah.
Yep. This
Cool.
works.
We can just make this, like this all highlights button to timeline
Uh,
and grid. They can just
yep.
draw like drop down feature, use it. They can use it.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Basic purpose to JS. I'm just gonna go and get my charger. Yep, just a sec.
Can you stream this on my profile as well? I see some people replying to my tweet.
I think you are streaming, right? You are streaming, right?
I don't think so.
No,
So you
you
just
did
have to go to the
no,
right
no, no.
hand side and
I actually saw streaming from Ratnakar's account.
No, I don't think so. I'm not
No,
streaming.
bro, I just saw it. I just saw it on Twitter. And
So what you
it would.
saw was like me sharing Base India's post.
Oh, okay,
I just
okay,
shared the live stream, yeah.
okay, okay.
I mean, have my profile on StreamYard.
Yeah, I think then Yashika, whatever she's trying to say is good job.
Yeah.
You, you can go to the right top and then you would see a button to start streaming your account.
I think the top right button is not there. Or for me, it's not also showing.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe Yashika can help you. Because did you see she has become the podcast producer for this?
Wormhole.
Yeah,
Wormhole.
Lighthouse, I guess.
Yep, yep.
Yeah,
Touch grass, touch grass. It's
that's yeah.
yeah, this Yashika, you are on mute. And I think you're audible. Not audible.
I am okay. Yeah, I
Yep,
became
yep.
the producer, and I also launched the first episode of Touch Base podcast. So basically, they don't have a segment called Touch Base. They do this podcast with like big industry people normally, and it's like no, base has a lot of things happening. So we'll have
Okay.
one. We have one new segment, and I went and I started as like it's called Touch Base, where we had people from Avantis and Hirebot coming in, and they spoke about their products, and we also covered the TVA app and every like a little bit of updates on base app. So if you're into podcast, please watch it. Let me know how it was. Soft chilling here since you guys mentioned, so I'm chilling here.
Does that mean like Yashika has a job now?
Uh, does that mean I have a job now? Okay, if you call it a job, then yes. If you call it a passion project, then I have a passion project now. Uh, it's kind of somewhere in the middle. Yeah, but I have things to do now.
Oh, yeah. Rachit says yes. It's a
What?
job.
It's a job.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Official confirmation.
my boss is saying it's a job, so we have to say it's a job. Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Oh, okay. There's a celebration happening.
Yeah, celebration happening.
Perfect.
Link me post.
Good.
I think after base fellowship, it's
Well,
like going, the level is going. First, Happy got hired, then Siddhesh got hired. Now it's Yashika.
Wait, I was never invited to the fellowship. I had asked my then boss, please let me in the fellowship. And he said, you didn't apply, dude. And I was working
Like,
on the content for the
his,
fellowship.
his job boss might be watching this.
yeah.
Yeah. So previous job boss was trying to get me in. He's a good guy. He was trying to help me in, but then he's like, I have to go. My co-founder has to go, and some people have to look, stay back, and do the work. So I mean, he's not like unjustified in his things, right? If we all go to the fellowship, then who will run Brainstorm? Yeah, but then I was not able to get in because I did not fill the fellowship form. So everyone, please, if you want to get into the fellowship, you have to fill the form. Even if you work for the team, you have to fill the form. Yeah, but I hope I get to go this year and just like create my idea. I have an idea which I will force you all guys to help me with because it's like a bigger
So
idea.
are you participating as a builder this time?
No, I have applied. I'm trying. So if I get in, I
I
get in.
I
But the
I think
competition
he
is like,
can.
but the competition is like so fierce. It's like I've been seeing numbers like more than 300 people. So I have been posting every day to get like more clout on Twitter. So I've been posting about the wormhole thingy that I've been doing, the merch that I got, the touch grass thingy. I've been posting like I am very active. I've launched a full new segment on touch grass. It's called Touch Base. So I'm very active in the base ecosystem. Please get me in the fellowship
How
somehow.
long has this been? Like, I think the last it was just like 3 4 days. You did all this touch base,
Yeah.
touch segment, whatever it is.
Yeah, I can just say my new boss is like a fast guy. He's like, and I like that. I like that. My entire brain space stays consumed with work, and I don't have to like go and ask people for like, can I work with you? Can I work with you? It's just like so boring. And like, ew, I hate job hunting. Job hunting should be banned like after a while.
We should
So
have another stream where we all are just ranting about our previous employers and
no, no. I mean, luckily
what
I've had
what
very good
experience.
employers. Luckily, I've had
Nice.
very good employers, except once where I was not paid for like 5 6 months.
So
And
bad of Sumedha.
Wow.
no, 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 not Sumedha, not Sumedha, not Sumedha. Please don't drag Pretty Lady into this. I love her. So no, but this was some other project, and I did really good work. One of my posts that I did with them, like work that I did with them, one party that we were uh, like hosting. Even what people wanted to get in that party, and people was tweeting out, and they're like, "This is amazing! I'm doing some crazy shit, but I'm just not getting paid for it."
Mm.
So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, that was sad, but you see, things
What
happen.
was your first, I mean, like, how did you come to Web3 and what was your first salary, if you're comfortable sharing?
How did I come to? I was working in a pseudo Web3 environment, to be honest. For me, I was
Okay.
in an accelerator, and the accelerator just like I was first a part of the accelerator because I got selected, so I paid
Mm-hmm.
them because they don't do equity, and but I had some scholarship and all, and then when after I graduated from the accelerator, I was building something, ran into a few issues. After a while, they were like, we were very impressed by your work and everything, so they wanted to hire me back into the accelerator after a few
Mm-hmm.
months of depression, of course. So because the first time you build something and you see it die, you die a little bit with it. I don't know, or probably just me. And yeah, so I was hired back into the accelerator, and that accelerator had a lot of people who were trying to like talk into crypto, build into crypto. So that's how it started.
Got it. You, Nisuk sir, how did you
Yes.
start in Web3? What was your journey and how much
Uh,
you earned your first paycheck?
Before that,
I
Nisarg, I need your help with figuring out the this thingy, Cloudinary, because it asked me to upload my preset, and I'm not able to do that. It says go to settings, go to upload, add upload preset. Now what do I upload here? I'll share my screen.
yep.
What is a preset?
So I think in Cloudinary you need to enable that.
Yeah.
Shit.
So here I'm like adding preset. What do I put here? Or
Just upload.
yeah,
Just go to click on upload preset. Give it the name, the project name. Basis for everyone.
bases everywhere. Okay.
Yep. And go down, go
Okay.
down. I think yeah, nothing is needed. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go
That's
down.
it. That's it. Down. This
Yep.
is it. Where it. Yeah.
Save. Up save.
Save. Okay.
Yep.
Done.
Yep. Done.
Done. Okay. Cool. Following cursor now.
Yep.
Okay. Yes. How did you get into Web3?
So when I was in college, first year I just wasted my college in playing games, played COD Mobile, get into top 1,000 users, wasted first year. Second year
Okay.
I thought like I need to do something. I'm wasting my father's money and what all things. So I participated in this MLH hackathon, if you know. It was like really cool hackathons that used to weekend all week. as there was a corona, so it was all lockdown over there. The thing is, the MLS only conducts offline hackathon, but as there was a corona, they started doing this online. It was super good. Like I met one of the best friends, some of the top mentors that are currently, the Ashwin, right? He works in Dayfolio.
Mm-hmm.
I so basically I these are the people who are past hackers, and they started giving mentors as a starting coming as a coach. Basically, they called us MLH course. Started giving session of how you can career up, how you can learn skill, how you can build your network. Started from there. Participate, I think, more than 35 hackathon consistently every week for 4 to 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
So I randomly just every week I didn't have any ideas to build. I just started going to Discord server, met people,
Mm-hmm.
building projects. I built around 35 projects for that year, second year. Then I think I was focused like what the skills I think I can be a dev. I was confident after that project, like I can be a dev, I can work as a dev. And then I got to know about the pay raise, like the pay of Web 2. I was full stack dev, started as a full stack dev. The pay from my college is like not good tier 3 college, no good companies coming to my college.
Hmm.
Then we have this Vadodara gang, basically. If you know,
I know.
peop-
I know.
yeah, yeah. So we have this Vadodara Web3 gang who are like the top best
Bro,
guys in
I
Web3.
was I was not sure. I mean, I had no clue about the game these guys have. I was in the first fellowship, managing ops and everything, and no, like Vraj, Neil, they
Neil,
all were like,
Shubham.
yeah, yeah, Shivam and all. They got me like, bro, come to our room. They all got like khakra and all those snacks and all. They were all night up just building, shipping. I was like crazy, bro. Like I had no clue about this gang.
So I got to know from one of the Discord servers, it was like Web3. I can participate as a full stack help, basically helping someone do. I didn't know what
Hmm.
the Web3 thing, what the hell I was out doing. I was supposed to do integration and build the front end stuff, but I didn't know integration and shit. So I just helped it on the
Yeah.
front end side. I get to know about from there. I just heard a session of Hers Godkar. He was
Yeah, Harsha.
teaching basic. Yeah, he was teaching at some other basically academy, teaching
Yeah.
blockchain. So I got it from one of the basically in the Discord chat. I got to know about the block trains. It was supposed to be block trains. I thought I need to learn the blockchain because I didn't do shit how to do integration and thing. So from there I started it. I contacted one of the basically fellows from Vadodara again. He told me to just participate in Web3 hackathon. The first thing first, I was participating in this MLH hackathon, but I was used to win. I was started winning and everything. But it MLH hackathon never give you prize money basically. They give you
Yeah.
gift.
Right.
So they told me if you want to, earn some money, participate in Web3 hackathon. So I participated in the Web3 hackathon. First, my Web3 hackathon was NITR 6.0, which was hopefully around that log. NITR, NEET NITR, that flagship hackathon. I participated. I
Hmm.
won the Shardium track, bro.
Yeah. Are you proud of it?
No, no.
Should we not talk about this on live? But
No, it's okay. It's okay. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. Even
everyone
I
knows.
was
Yeah.
an early contributor to that. I have been contribute. I did a funny story. So
Hmm.
I was on Jagriti Yatra, which is like a train journey that
Oh, you
happens
were the. I
across.
know about Jagriti Yatra. I wanted
Yeah,
to go
and
there. You were part of it.
yeah, so I have been like closely a part of it, and I was on
Nice.
it in 2022, and I was
Hmm.
already in crypto, and everyone was
Yeah.
calling me the crypto girl on the train. So I was
Yeah.
like, okay, these people need to be educated a little bit more since they're like high stakes people. They're like entrepreneurs across India, and they've been curated, and they're like
Yeah.
quick
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
learners. You can obviously tell
Hmm.
them about tech, and they'll get it. And everyone was
Yeah.
anyway going to asking me, we want to sit down and chat, and there's not enough time to sit down and chat. So it's like, we need to do a session. And shout out to Chandresh from Shadium. He's not a Shadium
Shadiam.
anymore. He
Yeah.
works with Narcissus now, and very good friend. So he's like, okay, whatever you need, we're gonna get you that to do the meetup on the train. Him. Then we had another friend called Chirag. We both were on train, and he's like, he was interested with about Chardium, had like some idea, and he started working with Chardium also later. But back then we both started this meetup on a train, and a lot of
Hmm.
people came. We even had banners, and I don't remember who got the banners for us, but there was someone again from Chardium who helped us get the banners. who helped us get t-shirts, and everyone has crypto merch on the train.
Yeah,
And we didn't have
yeah.
like food was not something we could have ordered from outside because they have like very strict guidelines on what can be eaten there. They already have their own food, but yeah, and people were very interested. If even till this date, I'm telling you, this is back circa 2022, and if anyone from that group or like the people who were on the train has any question regarding anything that's Web3, they would feel
Hmm.
free to DM me or like, oh, you are the crypto girl. So I think I've onboarded a fair share of people with that.
Interesting. So cool. For me, I think I was going to complete my board examination, I guess. This was lockdown. I took part in one hackathon called Teens in AI. And we had like four people in our team, one from Pakistan, one from Kazakhstan, another girl from India, but NRI. She was based in London. So we had like four people. We worked on one mood journaling idea, used some AI tools built on top of it to, just give you some uh, idea that how your day is going. We just made some graphs and all to prove it. That's just like a mock-up thing, and we won that. We got the second prize. That was $25 Amazon gift voucher each people. So like 100 pounds something, $100 something, 100 pounds. So that happened, and the gift voucher was, since it was in pounds, I couldn't not use in India. So I found this platform, Paxful, where you can actually sell your gift cards and get crypto in return. I was like, okay, anyways, I'm not able to use it, and nobody gonna buy it. So I sold it on Paxful, and about like 25 pounds worth of Bitcoin. And I was just trying to learn, ki, okay, how these things work. I had no clue about bridging. I had no clue about swapping. I had no clue about different currencies. I just bought Bitcoin because that was so cool. And someone told me to buy Ethereum, buy Dogecoin, and all and all. So I just kept swapping. And I lost everything just by swapping. So 25 to 20 just by swapping into Ethereum, 20 to 15 or 10 just by swapping into Doge, and lost everything, liquidated everything.
Yeah, that is
So
why we need more capital efficiency, dude. This is
yeah.
something. Gas took away
So
your dreams.
bro, like at that time, gas was so much that I could have just thought about buying my first ENS. I wanted Priyanshu.eth, and someone sniped it because the gas was almost as equal as the price of ENS.
Bless you.
Yeah. I know, like, funny story. Soumya gifted me my ENS last year on my birthday.
Oh,
Sweet.
oh,
Yeah. So he reached out to my friend and he was like, "Hey, what should I gift him?" I was like, "Hey, I don't know." Then he was like, does this guy have ENS?" I was like, "I don't think so." So then he was like, "Okay, let me buy you one, Ratnaka.eth." So he only gifted me.
That's sweet.
So I have it like for 5 years now.
Damn.
good gift.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good gifts. This should
Yeah.
be
I mean,
added
like,
in the list of gifts for like crypto people. Like give
yeah,
them
yeah,
me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, that's my on-chain identity right now. Like, base, Ratnaka.base.eth, Ratnaka.soy, Ratnaka.sol. Everywhere is the same.
But quick question, like in terms of, I know people thought of it as a part where you can be able to like you'll be able to build more with the identity. But have you seen anyone use it beyond like just a wallet tagger, which I don't feel is a
What, your
very
ENS or base username?
either soul base tree anything. But like, do you feel it has any more utility than that?
I don't know. I mean, like, whenever I send someone my ENS, they of course ask me to send my wallet address instead because that's like more safer option. I don't know why they feel that. I don't know. I mean, like, even for that on-chain score, no, I was trying to get my score. I tried writing ratnaka.base.eth, ratnaka.eth. Nothing worked. I had to copy paste my wallet address.
No, but then
Yeah, some
after that, I think on-chain scores shows your ENS or like base
Yeah,
address because I
it
have a
does.
base
It does.
address.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
and
does. It does.
so personally, I feel it has very low utility or no utility,
Yeah.
and but I get it. I was watching this comedy special by Veer Das. It's called Full Volume, and it's actually you should watch it if you're into like thought-provoking whatever comedy.
Yeah,
And
big fan of it. Does tell me.
Yeah, so he has this comment where he says that Gen Z is one which is like a very identity driven market rather than like a personality driven market. So we really like labels. You like, I have ADHD, I'm vegan, I am this,
Right,
I'm
true.
that, I am poly. I'm not saying I'm poly. He said all of these terms. So just saying that a lot of people like a lot of terms, and we are like, we try to identify ourselves as those rather than saying that we have a personality of so and so order. I think, and
Yeah.
a lot of crypto, especially what I've observed in India, is like this Gen Z audience, and hence they're very fond of ENS domains because it's their identity. Probably not useful at all, but it's their
Mm-hmm.
identity. So they want to be like people want to be a certain way on Instagram. They want to
Hmm.
show that they have this crypto identity of sorts, which is
Yeah.
similar reason why people want NFT PFPs. It's like
Hmm.
I associate myself with so and so PFP and identity. So like I feel that is a very aligned idea on why these both very useless things. Like I'm not saying NFTs are completely useless, but then PFPs. So these two very useless things maybe got a lot of traction um,
Yeah.
beyond
I mean, like, I
what I.
feel like for NFTs, it's more about like giving signal that, hey, I can spend X number of money just buying a PFP, which means that I have funds, I have money, I want to belong to this particular cult, that group.
Cult, I think it's more like a close community, where
Right.
your thoughts align. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
and
If
it's
your
about the
thoughts align
benefits.
on racism, if your thoughts align on racism, please stay away from each other.
For me, like, I just wanted one PFP which I can use everywhere, and this red one just popped up on my feed on Twitter. This one designer, I forgot his name, he made this one collection. It's called Faceless or Headless or something. And I was like, okay,
Uh,
this red one looks nice. I was like, let me buy this. So I bought it for like $5, and now I'm just using it everywhere. But yeah,
and
I think I'll
that if your dog's personality or you have this cool NFT now, basically people tend to follow the
exactly.
dog's
This
one.
is something which I noticed. I mean, like, if I'm not sure if I should say this as a publicly, but if you are a girl, if you have your own picture as your PFP, the chances of you getting followers like 10x. And for us guys, if we have our an FT or maybe some as a mysterious picture, so people following us is higher here. This is what I have also noticed.
Yeah, so NFTs are kind of showing you associations in that way, and they have this whole
Association,
thing.
yeah. If
Yeah,
you're
they had
part
this
of
whole
some collection, then yes.
yeah, they had this whole thing of what do you say, ape follow ape, and punks usually. Personally, I feel punks are a good correction in this term that they have this ideological mindset and they are like techno first people. So I have that. Crypto punks is one of the NFT corrections that I feel deeply for that way. And when you say about the women part, I agree on that. In fact,
Yeah.
yesterday I had to put a list of women creators. I'm looking for video creators who are women. So if you are not women, no, just looking for video creators, sorry. So and I was looking for them, and I was like searching my entire feed, which was like taking a lot of time for me because I don't usually consume video content, so nothing just comes on my feed as well. But
Hmm.
even when I've done like this whole search, anything on like most of the creators that showed up on my feed were women, and I was like,
Yeah.
and I was just like, maybe just women only make content in video form. Men are not doing it, uh, or something. And yeah, I
Yeah.
just couldn't find it. So it's
Yeah.
maybe just the market has been rewarding more women, hence they are targeting towards that. So you're an
I'll
anomaly, and I'll add
yeah.
your name to that list though. If you are interested, let me know,
Thank
and
you so
we'll have
much.
a
And
chat.
if you're looking for some female creators, let me know. I do have
No,
a
not looking for female creators. I'm not gender specific
okay.
like that. I'm saying
Okay.
I just found female creators, and
Okay. Okay.
that was just an observation that there are more female
Hmm.
creators, and maybe because of the
Yeah, I
incentive
mean,
mechanism, right? Yeah, if you get likes, you would do
so
that.
so there's this friend of mine, we were just discussing that how the base app algo is working right now.
Hmm.
And we had a long chat. because someone from the base team asked me from my post link when I complained that I'm not getting good reach on the base app.
Aneri, yeah, I
Because
saw
yeah,
that.
you saw that. So we
Yeah,
had this thought that they might be hard coding the profiles and pushing it more, because since she asked my profile link, the post links.
yeah.
And then we were just discussing that how it could be working, because it's built on top of Farcaster only. So do they have their own algo, or they're just using the Farcaster algo, and how does it work? Then he sent me a picture of someone, and we are like, okay, it doesn't matter what platform it is, the algo is the same. I hope you get it, what I'm trying to say. Nisarg got it. You want me to say it right now as a live? I'll text you on TG.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. Some woman had posted their picture and it was getting more likes. Yeah, and you can
Yeah,
say it like that, dude.
I don't want to
Yeah,
get
but then
cancelled.
you should actually say your own truth and not like, I don't know. Maybe guys are like that now. Fair. I don't know how it is for you people, but okay, it
Yeah,
is sad. But then, fair. As a woman, I have posted on Parkaster and I get zero reach there, and I posted on Base and I get zero reach there. So, not really helpful that way. And I even said like, what are people building on Base app and everything, like builder focused tweets, but nah, nothing.
yeah.
Hmm. So
Check
that's
out
sad
TG.
kind of. My TG. Okay, wait. I have way too many tabs open, so I have to. Yeah. Gosh. I mean,
Yeah,
optimistically, just we live in a very, it's a progressive world now. Since you spoke about being
yeah.
cancelled, maybe consider being a woman as well someday. It will be
Bro,
nice.
like if I get a chance, I would definitely. Why not?
Okay.
I
And
bet you right now, if I was a girl, I would have been sitting on like minimum of 20K followers at this point.
okay, if you have any
Yeah.
tips, please my DMs. You have my TG, and I
You
reply
won't
very
believe me,
fast.
like there's this
Yeah,
friend of mine,
I
I took
am
her
in a
socials
race.
only for
I
two
am in
weeks
a
and
race.
grow her profile from 0 to 1,000 only in 2 weeks.
Okay, you
If I
can
post the
take
same content on my if I post the
you can
same content on my
you
profile,
do
nothing
this,
will happen.
you do this, and I win. You do this and I win. I will make you. I make custom jewelry, jackets, and everything. I will make you a custom jacket. However many weeks it's gonna take me, I'm gonna make that. But before this year, I
Please
need
do.
10K. Yeah, I need
Please do.
10K, or however much is Rachit's follower count. I need more than that.
Let me
By
check how
the
much Rachit have.
no, right now
Yeah.
Rachit is growing like higher than whatever, and he has a Bormore logo in front of his name. You get it? That's like huge.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't have that. I don't have that, but I need more than 10.
We can easily grow it. You already have more
Easily.
than Rachit.
Arey nahi, but we need more than 10K. You don't get it. The power of Bormore
I
logo
get
is
it.
like huge. We need more
Yeah,
than
yeah, yeah,
10K, and if we get there, I
yeah.
need tips. And we are actually building. Like, how are you gonna grow my profile? Because everyone should know how to grow a Twitter profile like that. And we cannot post my
We should do
pictures,
this
okay?
like,
I mean,
yeah, of
session.
course, not that.
just so you know,
Allow-
that is this is not Instagram.
Yeah, of course, not your pictures, not that kind of pictures, of course.
Yeah, yeah,
Mostly
yeah,
around like shit
yeah, yeah.
posting and posting few. So basically, how Twitter works is that you need to trigger emotions. It could be
Okay.
anger, it could be wholesomeness, it could be any emotion. You just need to trigger it. So draft whenever you're posting something, just see like what kind of emotion this tweet can trigger, and that's why like mostly the rage bait tweets works out.
Yeah, I'm kind of bad at
Because
all of
people,
that
yeah,
because
I mean like this is how the world works. Everyone wants to say those things, but nobody have that, that chill inside that, yeah, I'm gonna post this publicly. So whenever someone posts it, they just respond, "Ki, okay, I agree with you, just like your tweets and all." So if you're taking
yeah,
hot takes or maybe just even posting like emotional stories, that works out for sure.
yeah.
I did one
Probably,
for Ankur Variko. So this friend of mine, we went to this some fair mela and all. We bought that
yeah.
Chamak Challo with the phone, flip phone, pink one,
Oh,
Duma
Barbie
Chale one,
phones.
Barbie phone.
Barbie
Yeah, yeah,
phones.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So we bought it and she was just using. I took a picture and just asked her to post this. He just got my first salary and bought this. I hope Ankur Wariko don't get angry on me. And she posted it, and that was funny. Ankur Wariko replied, and that post went for almost like 4K likes.
Damn.
Yeah,
Okay. Probably because I've not, nailed it because I feel less emotions than normal people. Yeah. My best friend has been telling me
should I
throughout this
should I
life that
send you
I
my therapist number?
no, 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 no. It's actually a pro, and
Yeah,
just like some people have a lower, higher EQ or whatever, and I feel lesser emotions, so I just convey lesser of them. And
yeah, yeah,
see, that is what has been hindering my Twitter growth. यार इतने साल से मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ?
yeah.
Priyanshu, but I need your help to grow my Twitter though. You feel
Done
the
same, done
emotions.
same.
I get to know that you can help me channelize that
Well,
into
like
content.
if I tell you, so I used to work for few,
Yeah.
at least one of your favorite Twitter profile. If I have to mention the names, Ankur
Okay.
Warikoo as well at one point. So,
Oh,
uh, like yeah, I was doing content for
Okay.
him at one point. This is back in the days. But never mind. So, just one funny story. You know what? Like, Jeff Bezos used to send shareholders letters to all their shareholders, like a email and letters and all. So we did a thread for a client, and we could have just added screenshots, highlighted and all, but we got it printed through Blinkit, added on the floor, took a picture, and then attached in the hook and marked a few words and all. So people feel that we have actually invested so much of time reading all the docs, like getting printed and reading it. So it builds like like if you're just scrolling and you see some screenshot, you might not pause it or maybe read it. But when you see like all the documents just lying on the floor, you will actually pause and will see, okay, what this guy is doing. And that went almost like millions of views. So you need to engineer small things. So yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Now
I
I get it.
think next team we should also invite Asha. I think she's
yeah,
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 she's so good.
yeah,
yeah. There's this guy called Shaidev. He's a really good friend of
yeah,
mine.
yep. They both
I
are doing great.
Yeah, so I met him. I was like, "Hey, bro, let's do one thing." We both had our phones with us only, but we posted like we both have our accounts with each other. We exchange our accounts. People went bonker. Everyone started making memes on us. The people I don't even know, they started making memes on us. We got almost like 200 plus followers. He got like all the crypto audience I had. I got all the tech audience he had.
Yeah, I know the profile page changed and started posting. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and Soumya and I think Asha did the same.
Yeah,
Yep.
they did the same. I'm not sure about how much numbers they grew, but for us that was like almost 200 plus because we were doing random things. No, like the people were asking to abuse, they were asking to follow back and all. We were doing it. Okay, no worries. Well, anyways, unfollow you later.
They are also doing the same thing. Soumya hates basically matcha, and
Yeah,
I
I know
think
this.
everyone. So yeah, so
Yeah,
rage baiting. Yep.
yeah.
I
Yeah. So
can make
let me.
chocolates. Can we give away chocolates to people and ask them to follow me? Is that a strategy that works? Is there
We can
any
actually
emotion
think
attached?
around.
Is there any emotion attached to it? Like if people hate sugar like me, then they'll be like, promoting diabetes. Or if people love sugar or like chocolates, they can be like,
So there's this one type of content which really goes viral. Uh, Girl breakfast. This two words if you have seen on Twitter. So
Not on
all
Twitter.
the
I've seen on Insta.
so
Yeah.
it's like a content format and Twitter as well. I've seen like millions, thousands, 100K easily. Someone posted some meds ka picture and posted like uh, girly breakfast or something like that, and that kind of went viral. And people are like, okay. I mean, so many girls were ready to relate. Ki, okay, yeah, I also take so many meds early in the morning. So yeah,
yeah, I think here what we're trying to crack a little bit, like I know this is important, but overall content strategy for like say going viral on Twitter or that is a complete different ball game I feel, and like Instagram as well, because the audience is a little
Very different.
dumb.
Yeah.
Dumb.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the term. Yeah. And I don't want that kind of people following me because I already have a lot of, like,
Hmm.
whatever you see right now, my audience, they want me to
Hmm.
post a picture. That is how
Yeah.
I get
Yeah.
engagement. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
don't want
Yeah.
that. I don't want that
Yeah.
at all. So
So,
I want
but I like,
high IQ
yeah.
audience who likes my
Yeah.
like crypto takes or something. And for
Yeah.
crypto or
Yeah.
native audience, I want to
Yeah.
understand like how do you grow, because that helps my work.
So,
Having 2000 more
right.
followers, random IQ people, that does not help me,
Yeah.
and I'm not a very
Yeah.
social person.
I understand. I understand. Like, Abhi, recently I was having this chat with someone who wanted me to help them build their personal brand on Twitter.
Hmm.
And I don't know like why, and everyone wants a personal brand. I get it. It's very important to have a personal brand at this point. You can just do things when you have already a good number of people following you. But the thing is, to have a personal brand, you need to have a personality, right? If you're not a funny person, I can give you some funny takes, I can give you some funny tweets, but if you're not a funny person, IRL, in longer run, you won't be able to survive the content game. So whatever content I'm pushing, it's not structured. Sometimes you'll see me doing shit posting, sometimes you'll see me taking hot takes, sometimes you'll see me writing some really emotional driven no, like blogs and all. So because that's me, I mean that's who I am. You'll see me like writing 10 tweets in like 5 minutes and see me like writing one tweets in like 10 days. So I mean that's me. So you need to be a little real on Twitter at least, because again, Instagram audience is a little dumb. So on Twitter they can figure it out. Okay, okay, that's not you. That's not how you talk, and that's not how you write. So yeah.
Yeah, so same thing. We created this Amul Telegram bot basically. You know, Amul protein
Hmm.
is out of stock. So we just created a
Hmm.
cron
Oh,
job.
you created. I saw
Ha,
this. I saw this video.
ha. Yeah, so we never thought it will get 1K like. It got 10K like on Instagram within a 1 week.
Yeah. I had no clue
You
that
never,
you created. I think I saw it and commented as well.
yeah. Me and my
Crazy.
other friend called Harsh called. In
I know
Instagram, you
Harsh.
don't
I know.
know,
I
yeah,
know
you
Harsh.
don't know
Yeah.
what get viral.
Yeah.
We just created as a weekend project, created in 2 hours, recorded a demo. We just waited for the protein to get delivered to our home. So everybody uses the bot.
Yeah.
Guess
586K
how,
views.
yes, guess how many user on that bot we have? More than products.
Crazy.
10,000 users are currently live using the bot.
Nice.
Just to get Amul protein.
Yeah. So
Yep.
it's like, so they have this thing that it goes out of stock really quick, like just
Yes.
On
in
what
minutes.
on what platform are you trying to get it from?
Amul website
Amul of
only.
you.
Okay, Amul
They
website.
they don't have it on Amazon and all. I mean, they have, but it's like usually out of stock, and it
Okay.
comes on their website. So what they did it, they built out a bot whenever it gets on stock, like a cron job, and you get like a pop-up notification that hey, it's back in stock. You can just order it. So
So we are seeing. So we do 1 second check basically. Every 1 second it check is the website and return the stock list.
yeah, you can actually search same keywords on Twitter and you'll see how many viral tweets are there. Just search Amul protein and see.
Yep, yep.
No, I don't consume anything from them, so I was not really aware about it. But I've seen that they've been adding ice creams with protein. So yeah,
Yeah,
Amul is
yeah,
trying to nourish the entire nation with protein. I've been doing that. So what
yeah.
product goes viral? Amul protein, like the protein shake, or just like entire protein range?
No, just a video. We thought it was a fun video. We just created a video. And we never thought it will go viral, but it got viral
I
because of the
I get it, but
scarcity.
trigger करने के लिए what product are you using? Which product are you like
All
saying
the
कि
protein, yeah, all the
every
Amul proteins,
I
everything, I
think the
guess.
lassi is the most used and the normalized one because every person will not use a protein powder because I think most of Indian psychologists it will not contain any protein powder. And the milk is basically no one is gonna change the milk to protein milk and get a higher price. They're just gonna use the most fixed option is the milkshake option and the protein lassi, and the most stock out option is the protein lassi. So we targeted the protein lassi only because we all also wanted that at our daily lunch and breakfast time. Basically, we can eat it whenever we want. So yeah, that was the main trigger, I think.
Uh, and I think we will have to end the stream now because we have very highly
Yeah, it's
deflected from what we were trying to do.
yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Let's just wrap up with like what all we were able to achieve. And
yes.
Yep.
I feel we should
All.
launch it ASAP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy to create a
All
video.
things are working. So whenever users is created, we are storing the user in the DB. Whenever the
Mm-hmm.
file is uploaded, we are getting basically we are storing the file to get the file and basically share with add a forecaster feature. So here we
Mm-hmm.
have basically uploaded it to IPFS with the help of Vinata. If
Mm-hmm.
I can copy it, just a sec, JSON. Yep,
I'll add you as a collaborator on the same repo. Just start a
yep,
different
yep,
branch and just push it there.
yep. So I have this image URL. If you
Mm-hmm.
open it, it will show I have one of this project college NW. Yeah, you can show the image.
Mm-hmm.
It is being stored in the DB. I'm just creating the front end grid. And here is the form. Basically, when they submit the form, what is the
Right.
title, description, what is the photo? I'm also storing multiple photos in the DB. So in the form, we can add a multiple. I'll add a format to upload multiple photos. The multiple photos upload option is not there, but in the form I'm storing. So let's say there is an Insta grid which contain more photos, right? So we can get more photos, but I'm storing in a format so you can add n numbers of photos in the DB. So when the grid is there on the front end, you can swipe out the on the left hand side and return. So I'm currently just giving the basically feed UI, the UI that you created. Let's hope it
Yeah.
create in one go and we can deploy it and use it. Yep.
Got it. Cool, sir. You just push it there, or maybe let me know.
Yes.
Happy to launch it ASAP, maybe by this weekend, or maybe
Yep.
earlier,
Yep.
whenever this is ready. And if you need any help, let me know.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, I'm so
Uh,
happy, like finally seeing this project going live after 2.5 years.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I have
Try
also
again.
completed the Cloudinary thing.
I'm getting the response, but it is not showing in the grid. I think I got the response. Just gonna give it response. I think somewhere in the UI they are not able to render the new thing. Yep, 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 yep. I think this can be done today itself. The fetching and
Mm-hmm.
timeline. We just need
Mm-hmm.
to integrate the forecast and Ninar thing basically. You
Right.
get all the feeds, and all the feed will add a button, a small button of forecaster logo or base logo. Share it in your app and launch it as a token or as an NFT, so everyone can everyone can purchase. I purchase your video on base, so
Yeah,
everyone
yeah,
can
yeah, yeah,
purchase
yeah.
some. Yep,
Right. ठीक है. Coolsies.
Okay. Okay. Here. Need help,
yep,
need
yep, yep,
help.
yep, 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 yep.
Okay. Sharing screen. So
Okay.
here is the updated version. I have added my preset and everything. Sharon Farcaster says this whole upload thing. Zora, I can understand that Zora you have to upload file only. It does not take it automatically. But Sharon accept when I do it, it says uploading image to Cloudinary, please wait, and it keeps like I cannot do anything. I can just click OK and then wait. Or
Open console log. Open console log.
okay,
More tools, more tools. Yep, last one.
yes.
So currently, uh, skill to execute. Okay, press on OK.
Okay.
So you are not able to get the to data URL because from the canvas whenever you are trying to upload, it is not been uploaded. Just copy this error and give it to cursor.
Okay.
Something they are basically they wanted something some URL and they are not able to get it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, my timeline is done. It is working, but I just need to fix the UI. It is currently getting all the things that we needed. I'm just gonna show it as a web app. Is my screen still visible?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Oh no, this is Yashika one. Yashika, just you can just pull it up
Yeah.
for 2 minutes. My thing is done.
Yep.
Yep, yep,
Okay.
yep, yep,
Okay.
yep.
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 I think I
So current
needed this stream. I'm feeling so much
so
motivated to work on all the ideas I had.
yep, yep. Explore your memories. It will fetch your memories on J. Yep. So this is the one. I just need to fix the timeline one. Basically, every photo
Timeline,
should
yeah.
be. Yeah. I
Hmm.
just giving
Similar
the.
to Facebook.
I think. Yeah. I just need to get better. I have the timeline component. I'm gonna use the component. Get the name.
Hmm.
Get the description from the form and image with
Hmm.
some padding. And the
Hmm.
grade one. I think this looks cool. We're just gonna make it a
Yeah,
square
yeah,
one, a
yeah.
bigger size.
Right,
Yep.
right.
Yep. So
Three,
every.
3 by 3 ones should be good.
Yep.
Yeah,
Let's try camera one.
crazy.
Camera testing. Camera.
I think we need to fix that color.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah,
Small,
that's
small
right, right
things.
now.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, some
Oh,
UI
it's too much fast.
camera.
Oh, camera.
Nice.
Yep,
I
yep,
think
yep.
that's gonna be super helpful for all the mini app users because the
Yes.
base app itself is kind of slow, but if we make the mini app a little faster, that is something they're gonna really love.
Yep.
Crazy. Love it.
Yeah. Yep. I'm
Nice.
gonna just, I think this small, small, I can do it on tomorrow. But yeah, I can
Yeah, yeah,
deploy
for
right
sure.
now.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
for sure. Just uh, let me add you as a collaborator on the board. Hmm, what's your username, sir?
Uh, Nishu Zero. I'm going to share it in private
Hmm,
chat.
found it, found it, found it. Just added you as the collaborator, sharing the invite in the private chat.
Yep, 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 yep.
Yes.
Uh,
Just create a
mm,
new branch and just push it there.
branch. Yep. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I'll also try to play around and I hope I don't break the code. But yeah,
No,
just
no.
launch it with a banger video.
Gonna need your help there.
Yeah, yeah, all in, sir, all in.
Yep, yep, yep. Are you based in out of Bangalore?
Yeah, I'm in Bangalore. You're in Bangalore as well?
Yep, let's meet on weekend, bro.
Where do you stay in Bangalore?
HSR.
Oh, I'm also in HSR. Come home sometime then.
Sure, you can also come to my home. Free
Done,
on
done, see.
Sunday?
Uh, I think so.
Yep. I'm gonna
After
text you.
skate park, I
Yep,
can come. Yeah, for
yep,
sure.
yep.
Done, see. All right. All right. Thank you so much, Yashika. Thank you so much, Isak, sir. Had
No,
fun
no.
time.
Wait, wait, wait. No.
Okay.
Fix my thing
What?
first. ऐसे नहीं
What
जा
happened to your
सकती.
code? What happened
Yes.
to your code?
Okay. So
Back and upload. Yep.
now it says uploading and then it'll fail. It says image failed to upload also sometimes. You can see, I'll open it up.
Open the console log. Open the
Yeah,
console
yeah,
log.
yeah.
More tools. Developer tools.
Yeah.
Yep.
Say, and it says image upload failed. Please try again. Yeah. It just keeps failing. What is going
Go
wrong? Then I
go to
copied
network.
this.
Go to network tab. Go to network tab.
Yeah.
Uh, Try to click on X. Share on X. Click on X. Okay. Click on this upload route. Yep, yep, yep. Go to response. Go to response. No, no,
Here.
in here. Yep.
Yeah.
Go to
Nothing.
preview. Go to preview.
No, nothing.
Okay, so the thing is currently when your canvas you are trying to capture the image now, when this is the canvas that the image and the logo is there, they are not able to get the, basically they need a chunk or some photos. Basically you ask them to use any library that convert canvas to image and get that image URL and upload that image as a Cloudinary instead of getting the canvas and doing it all by himself. Use any HTML canvas to image library to get the image because currently the backend upload is failing.
Use any HTML
HTML canvas to image library.
and upload that to Cloudinary.
Yep. And use that to upload that to Cloudinary and paste out your console logs also here so it knows where it is failing at which line.
Okay, these ones, right? Console here.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, I've made a lot of changes to this, but nah, abhi
Yes, just right, yes.
okay. Yes, accept, accept.
Y- Yep. Okay, try now.
Okay. And it told me not to go directly to the HTML file and use it in the browser. It said that start a local server, do the local host thingy, and then do it. I don't know why, but I was doing it for वैसे local host से. So
No, open the open console log always. Open
open this,
op,
open
open the console log. Yep. More tools,
uh,
developer tools. Yep. Now upload.
upload. Okay, and then share on X.
Yep. Okay.
Okay,
Go go to network tab. Go to network tab. Click on upload.
must be whitelisted for unsigned uploads.
Oh. The thing is now it is getting the image. If you can see. No. Go.
Yeah.
If you can go see above, it is getting the image. Just
This
click on
one.
above. Yep,
Yeah,
yep,
yeah,
yep.
yeah. So yeah.
So
Okay.
I
But
think there is some configuration need to be open on the Cloudinary to allow it to be uploaded. Just ask cursor anyway. There is some configuration required.
what should I say? There is some configuration required for Cloudinary.
Yeah, is there any configuration required for the Cloudinary?
Because right now it's uploading the base file, not like the edited file.
Yep. There is. So basically, you need to enable this check.
Okay. Find your preset, click the pencil icon, and enable unsigned. This is my preset. Pencil icon. Where is the pencil icon? You have to find it somewhere else. Yeah.
Mm, the on-chain, the preset that you created, right? Where you created on-chain, every basis for everyone.
As no, I created an home upload which uploads. Shit. I keep forgetting things. Wait. Settings. Settings.
Second one. Yep.
Upload, yes. And this is
Click
again
on,
settings.
yep. Click on the triple dots. In the triple dots, right side, right side.
Yes,
Yep, yep.
edit,
Edit, edit.
signed, and add unsigned.
Unsigned. Yep. Save it. Save it.
Now it should work. Okay. Unsigned.
Go to your app. Yep. Refresh the page.
Refresh and try. Okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna try it last time. Yep.
Yeah, if it does not work, we come back to it.
Yes.
Okay, share on X. Work,
Yep.
please, work. Work,
Okay.
work.
Click on
Okay.
OK.
Yeah, network.
Worked. It worked. Upload. Go to upload. Go to upload. 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 Click on upload in the last call. Last call. Last call. Yep.
Last call, yeah.
Yep. You got the URL. If you can go to response, you can see this. Go to response. You can see the
Yeah,
URL field. You can copy the URL field.
you
Copy it.
are
Copy. Yeah,
this one.
copy the. Yep. This one.
Yep.
Yep. Open in new tab. Remove the quotes from in the fronts
Uh-huh.
also there is one quote. Yep.
Arey yaar. Okay, fine. Now, yes, this is working now, but it won't
Uh,
upload. Share on X. It's like again uploading.
no.
Uh,
So there is a one. You need to add one check after the call has been made, and if it's success, open the Twitter URL and use that URL and share it
okay,
there.
so I should tell it. Check if the call is successful.
Currently, the call is been succeeded. You just need to get the URL from the
Wait,
backend request. The image upload is working. Get the URL and open the Twitter sharing. What is called intent Twitter sharing?
yeah, yeah. Get the
Get
URL.
from the you can give the response. The response look like go to backend, go to web browser.
Uh,
Yeah, copy the response
Browse.
format. Yep, yep. No, just copy the whole response format. Just stay here. Copy whole response.
No, not
Yep,
hold
yep.
your.
Control
यहाँ
A,
से.
Control A, Control A. Yep, that
Mhm.
works.
Okay.
Get the
Copy
URL
this.
field from this and share it on X with this URL. Yep, share and share
Oh,
this and open X and paste the text basically.
share it from there. Okay. Let's see now if it works. Okay, yes for forecaster. Okay, done, done, done. And now let's see if it works. Uh-huh.
Ratnagar be like, I'm forcefully sitting here.
Ah,
No,
you
no, no,
can
no.
go if you don't want to.
Arey,
I
it's all
have
right. It's all right.
huh,
Uh,
I really want to make this work.
so
So,
someone just made a post here that they're hiring for a marketing lead, and one friend sent it to me, and I was just reading the post, and the salary was like 4K plus equity, and that guy couldn't figure out
4,
that's a bait.
4K or 400K.
400K, of course. 400K plus equity.
The whole CMO thing.
Yeah, and he couldn't figure it out. That's why I was texting him.
Is it working?
Worked. Yep. Click on
Okay.
post.
Oh,
Click on post.
okay.
Go to profile.
अरे नहीं आ रही यार. It's like
It will
coming
not
as
come. Yep.
uh-huh.
Op- open the image. Open the image URL.
Acha. Yeah, that works, but this doesn't work.
So what is this like, Yashi? You are supposed to find the squares and add blue everywhere. No, why is there only one blue?
Because I'm dumb and I cannot implement an AI/ML library or something to find a square and do it. So I'm like manually getting pictures and adding squares on it, and then I'm
Mhm.
trying to post on Twitter. But the mechanism is we post the picture on a cloud server and then we get it on Twitter. But Twitter does not show the thumbnail of that picture.
Yeah, yeah.
And I
I
don't
think
want to, I don't want the user to be like, okay, now I have a picture edited, I will download it and then I go to Twitter and I'll upload it and then do it. It's like, why? Just
yeah.
take it and put it there, right?
I think Twitter doesn't automatically embed images from all the websites. I guess like you need to use some certain websites.
This is not working.
Uh, you need a database to make it work. Yep, 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 yep.
What database?
What is
One
the
more
data?
data. What is a database? This is a very good question. Yeah. What
We
is a
have
database?
we have around 1,000 people live. That's
Yeah,
crazy, bro.
1018 and based
That's crazy.
India.
That's
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 crazy.
Based
crazy.
India has got a
Basically,
648
it was
people, dude.
650. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's
That
a
is
lot.
unreal.
So how much do I have? How much do I have?
You have 67. Yashika got 32.
Yep.
Too less. Too
Mine
less.
shows 34 and 69 for Siddhesh.
Hmm.
Do anyone have Nanar subscription?
I don't
No,
know.
but why do you need Nena, bro? I think Nena gives you every access in the free plan itself, like everything in the free plan.
Oh,
Yeah,
basically, I'm using this Happy app now. So to get it published, you need to pass everything. With it's a starter kit now. It has everything. So
yeah.
it needs
But
Nanar.
the last time I referred, Nena also has a free plan which basically gives access to everything that they have. I think in Megabyte
Got it.
also told, like Megabyte also told you that you can use it for free.
Yeah, I'm just going through their website. Yep, there is a free plan for 365 days. Yep, yep. Okay, I'll integrate it later. But everything is working, Siddhesh. Why? When you are not there, just gonna share my screen. Last time, is my
Yeah.
screen is visible?
Yes, yes. I just added you.
So after you upload your memories, it will be loading your memories. Tried the camera feature, it's working. Tried the
Mhm.
local feature, it's working. It's storing on its timeline and grid one. I just need to fix the timeline in the specific component that Ratnaga has designed. Uh,
Yeah,
and allow multiple pictures to be used in the form basically.
Ah, uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. I think the better way would be like, now Ratnakar will go and make a banger video for this. It's
Yeah.
of
like
course.
she just opens a phone and just like, clicks, click, 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 click something, and then like, it goes on chain, something, something.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
like,
I'll
camera shutter sound, camera shutter sound, camera shutter sound. Something like that.
This is more like I'll actually think about it how we can do it, but mostly I want it to be like emotional that why documenting things are important
Yeah. Mm.
and you should use memories on
Mm.
chain.
Yeah.
Now, like
Yeah.
you can have pictures like physical pictures, but it can get burned, it can get destroyed. Uh, Even digital data gets stored on cloud that can get deleted, but on chain it stays. If it's on chain, it stays forever. Something like
Yeah.
that.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's a storyteller, where you watch his
I, I,
video.
I mean, I totally understand what he's trying to, because that's how things should be done, right? So when you put out things in that way, people can kind of relate to it. Like, okay, now I
Right.
should use it.
Yeah, we were
Why
just
you should
discussing
use on
this.
Bro has
Yeah,
brain.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
We were just discussing this थोड़ी देर पहले that how I do socials and in general like how you can engineer it and make it more viral,
Mhm.
how to trigger emotions and all. But yeah, we should definitely do another one. Happy to jam on that.
Definitely. So we'll see you. We at least have Thursdays. So we'll
Yeah, yeah.
hopefully have you on Thursday. And guys, I have a Twitter space, so I will jump off. And
Sure, sure. I gotta cook dinner. Very hungry right now. So thank you so much for having me. See you all.
Bye, guys.
Nisag
Yeah,
sir, come home.
yeah. We'll meet on weekend. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.